serial number पर हमरो 11 number थिला तो
Obviously,
ए जो ले
आप-
तो
आप
urgency
देखो
matter मतलब
ले-
बैंक मतलब
लंबा
बैंक
ले
matter
केते-
माइलर
केते ଆମେ
मतलब बैंक matter माइलर तो ना
बैंक
Item number 1.
May I please your lordship, I mean virtual, I am not well, my lord.
କଣ
Well, in this
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
case-
କଣ
Beg your pardon, item number 1, my lord.
ଓ ଆଇଟମ ନମ୍ବର 1 ଓ ଗୁଡ୍ କଣ
Yes.
ହେଲା
I mean
Well-
virtual, I am not well. My lord, in this case, the
problem, sir.
petitioner.
Virtual mode, are we stopping our virtual mode people? Only thing whenever there is some problem of sound and all that, that's sometimes.
I'm sorry, my lord, in this case, the petitioner has challenged the inaction of the opposite parties for reflecting his name under annexure 4, my lord, at page 18.
Sorry.
This matter
କଣ
relates to
ଇନେକ୍ସନ ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଖାଲି ଇନେକ୍ସନ କହି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
my lord, similar matters your lordship have already heard. This matter relates to GRS, appointment of GRS, my lord. My name has been reflected in the ineligible list. Your lordship has fixed the matter to 18th. Directed in similar matters, that is in WPC number
So you want it to
2376.
be listed along with those matters?
Yes, my lord, on 18th.
18.
copy of the same maybe sir my lord
There is a
in-
copy to Mr. Government.
Yes, my lord. By day after tomorrow, I shall sir.
Okay. Next.
Oblige, my lord.
And I am curious, my lord. In this application, my lord, the petitioner seeks for a direction to the opposite party to release the death claim benefit in favor of the petitioner in respect of the policy which was issued in his name of his wife, my lord. The wife opened an account in the year 2021, my lord.
That problem টা কোন?
She has enrolled under a PMJJY scheme.
What is the problem?
Madam, so since she has been died, madam, I have applied for a release of the insurance amount, policy amount, my lord. But till today, they have not, my lord, sanctioned, my lord, released, my lord. The wife has been died on 27/1/2023, my lord.
The insurance was in the name of his wife.
My lord,
You are the husband.
my lord. तो PMJJY ରୁ ଯୋଉ 436 ଟଙ୍କା କଟୁଛି 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦବା କଥା ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
PM.
JJBY ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଜୀବନ ଜ୍ୟୋତି ବୀମା ଯୋଜନା my lord.
Okay, let's issue notice to the petition challenges the inaction of the opposite party for not releasing the death claim benefit in favor of the petitioner in the policy number 760010000135, which is issued in the name of the petitioner wife, late Khushbu Behra. Despite several requests, the authority has not sanctioned the death claim benefit of petitioner's wife. Hence, it's constant to this court. We should issue notice to 1 and 2. 1 and 2 violation. Rewarding this one. Okay, next. Returnable on 12th September. 12th September.
Item
Next.
number 3.
Please to will also.
3.
The application for solatium fund.
What is solatium fund, sir? For what?
So hit and run case, state government provide assistance those who are died by unknown vehicle, road traffic accident.
What is the solatium? I don't know.
Solatium one kind of state government assistance to the deceased family. Those who died,
Why is it called
those
solatium?
who are died on road traffic accident by unknown vehicle.
That is solatium.
Solatium.
Solatium mane hai.
Solatium as a fund created by the state government to provide assistance to the deceased family, financial assistance.
Okay, so you have not been given that.
my lord in view of the notification dated 14th May 2018 he is not eligible my lord.
You do one thing, can you do me a favor? All these notification for this ex gratia compensation guideline,
Yes, my lord.
solution, give me a short, I mean, all these
ହଁ
notification,
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି
give me a copy of all this, so we can keep it here.
ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ସେ 3 ରେ ସେ କଭର କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କାରଣ ଡେଥ୍ ର 6 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବା କଥା
ଆପଣ କେବେ apply କଲେ?
Yes, October 2019.
19,
19.
ଆପଣ apply କଲେ?
First, my lord, first we have
ନାଇଁ, ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ, ଆପଣ
our
କେବେ
21.
ହଁ?
21.
21, so 19 ରେ ହେଲା, ଆପଣ 21 ରେ ଏତେ ଦିନ
Okay,
କେମିତି କଲେ?
gathering all the relevant documents. ଆଜ୍ଞା ୟୁଡିଟା ହଉଛି କଣ ନା ଫାଇନାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହେଲେ ସିନା ଆମେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବୁ ୟୁଡି କେସଟା ଫାଇନାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହଉ 2 ବର୍ଷ 3 ବର୍ଷ ଲାଗିଯାଉଛି collecting all the material relevant documents.
That's also right.
I will take your lordship may issue notice I will also take instruction ତାପରେ ବି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ ସେଟା though I have not collected it my lord 1 year ବି extension ହେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ
No, 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 no. He's right. Unless that is not final, UD case is made and it is not finalized, then how can he apply? You will also want those documents for that accident. Where from they will get?
but he has not annexed that document UD case document that should be annexed by here ଆମେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବୁ
ଆପଣ apply କରିଥିଲେ କଣ କଣ document ଦେଇଥିଲେ? Apply କରିଛନ୍ତି?
We have applied before the RTO Puri with this, all supporting documents.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କାହିଁ annex
FIR,
କରିନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି
final report. We have not annexed
ହଁ,
this
ତାହେଲେ
writ petition.
representation ଭଳିଆ ଦେଇଥିବେ representation your lordship knows what was the document submitted by my
We have-
senior
we
କିଛି
have
ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଦି
submitted
ଧାଡି ଲେଖିକି
claim
ପକେଇ
form
ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
along with the representation. With all the relevant documents.
Anyway,
FIR, final report,
anyway,
PM
see.
report,
your
information
lordship may issue
report.
notice
You just
Everything.
find out if it can be done, please do that. It's not asking something, I mean, in air. Something has happened. The petitioners. Who died? Your
My
Father.
father,
father.
my father,
The petitioner's
Gunanidhi
father
Vishwa.
died in a hit and run case while returning from home. From where?
From
From?
my father led Gunanidhi Vishwa, village Talada was returning.
Where
to
from
his-
he was returning?
Village?
He is returning from where?
Returning from ହଉଛି କଣ ନିୟର ତାଳଦା ଗୋଟେ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁ ସେଠୁ ଫେରୁଥିଲି
From Talda. An unknown vehicle dashed against him. And which resulted in death of the petitioner's father. The UD case being UD case number 146 of 19 was registered in Mangalabag police station. And he had applied before the appropriate authority. What happened to that? We have applied, what happened? What did they say?
you have applied at a belated stage.
But the authority has rejected on the ground that the application was made belatedly. Lancaster, the state submits that since the procedure for claiming compensation from the solution fund has to be done within the application has been made within 6 months from the date of the accident. In the present case, the said was done much belatedly. Be that as it may, since the petitioner had not received the final form of the UD case, he was not able to apply for the solution. Hence, he is constrained to approve this court for taking a lenient view on the delay. Issue notice to OP number 1, 2, 3. Why there are two regional transport officers? One is Puri, one is Kotak.
One not I'm clarifying. First, we applied before this
Sir, where did you apply is not the question, sir. Question is, which is the appropriate authority to apply? Whether
Appropriate
courier,
authority-
Cuttack, courier,
appropriate authority is the appropriate authority is the RTO Puri.
RTO Puri, bas RTO Puri बोलो. यार Cuttack काम है दे. Just because you applied wherever you like.
No,
Empty way नहीं sir. जो jurisdiction of
subsequent RTO Puri,
citizen-
RTO Puri, by letter number,
transfer to Cuttack.
by letter number
Okay, ठीक है,
author type
okay,
is-
okay, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. That's all. That's all. The next.
Item number 4.
So,
I may please, my lord, in this case, the petitioner challenged the inaction of the opposite parties to allow him to continue as a Sikaswa after acquittal of the criminal proceeding. And
sir, criminal proceeding, acquittal race, man, they be another way, it is up to totally up to them.
and that
The
is,
court cannot compel the authority that you have to diya bole.
my simple prayer is,
Hmm.
annexure 4 may kindly seen. The opposite party number 5 has written a letter to the government
Hmm.
to clarify the whether he should be engaged as after.
Then
acquittal
they
of-
will wait till the
My
government.
simple prayer,
responds.
that may be, the decision may be taken by the OP number 1. Only
DP,
simple
DP,
prayer.
what about DP? যদি ডিপি থিব তাহলে ইন ভিউ অফ দি স্টেট অফ ওড়িশা ভার্সেস জোসেফ বারিক ইউ হ্যাভ নো কেস
And already
Even if DP is there or not there, I'm not on that.
Annexure
I'm on
4
that.
is pending.
Whether it is the, see, just because you are acquitted in a criminal case,
Yeah.
doesn't, I mean, you are not entitled to be taken back. It is up to the department to decide. So, no court can
That
assist
is
you.
pending. That is pending before the annexure.
Okay,
4.
without going to the matter of the case, the petitioner has, in fact, I has filed a representation before the commissioner comes secretary to government. Bid annexure 6, which is pending since.
Annexure 4, page 70.
Sir, 5 prayer लिखिचंती मते
Yeah,
दे
recommendation that clarification which has been sought for, that is pending. If that is the decision it goes against me, then nothing, I have no. So decision may be taken.
4 left. The authority to pass a reasonable order within 4 weeks from today. According to this. Next,
Item number 5.
5.
May it please your lordship. The short grievance of the petitioner is that petitioner is challenging the letter of the bank where the bank guarantee is being directed to be invoked and the petitioner is to arrange the money. But the dispute is, my lord, the petitioner has supplied generators and electrical appliance under the purchase order to supply and maintain it. And my lords, there is admittedly some documents which are to be supplied by the Kerala Electricity Board, which has not been supplied. That is why petitioner is not able to comply the energization sanction. So that is why admittedly there is a
Why
dispute.
Kerala Electricity Board is
Yes, my lord, there is a contract between the petitioner and Kerala Electricity Board. And the bank guarantee was given here in Bhubaneswar, my lords, under your lordship's jurisdiction. And my lords, in the meantime, what has happened, my lords, the petitioner and the Kerala Electricity Board, they are in the verge of settling the dispute. But on the request of the Kerala Electricity Board, the bank guarantee is going to be invoked. Lordship may give me some breathing space. In between, I'll file an application with the bank. Bank may allow me at least 1 month or 1.5 months. Within that, the dispute can be settled or the
The
automatic.
money has been already taken.
No, my lords, they have not taken it.
There
If they would
was-
have, if they would have taken it, I have no case. They have not taken it. They have directed me to arrange the funds so that it can be deposited, it can be sanctioned to the Kerala Electricity Board. But my lords, in the meantime, the dispute is being almost in the verge of settlement. And I have filed that document also. I just pray your lordship may kindly give me at least 6 weeks breathing space. In between, things can be settled, my lords.
6 weeks I'm not going there.
4 weeks, my lords. 4 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks may be difficult on Kerala.
Kerala se what? Kerala?
My lords, only difficulty is
Not-
what has
is the
happened.
amount total?
6 lakhs for
6 lakh, your company 6 lakh is not. a
no,
big
that is not the problem. My lords. What
That's
the
the
difficulty?
problem.
No, my lords. Difficulty is, my lords.
When you are giving a bank guarantee.
Yes, my lords.
You are supposed to keep sufficient fund in it.
Yes, my lords. Yes, my lords.
That you don't have.
No, that is not the case, my lords.
What is the case?
The beneficiary, which is Kerala Electricity Board,
Ah.
very well knows. Otherwise, my lord, what the date I am
So
default.
Why is it performance guarantee?
My lords, one is performance guarantee and another is bank guarantee. My lord,
What is that? I mean, what happened? So
Well,
the-
the difficulty is they asked
No,
me
no,
for the
difficulty
certification.
What happened? Why they want to invoke the bank guarantee?
They want to get their work, the certification they want from me with a gunpoint that if you don't give it within a period, your bank guarantee will be invoked. But they very well know it that if they don't supply the certain documents which I have also annexed, the bank guarantee cannot be. That is why they are slow peddling the issue. That is why I may request Lordship and give me 4 weeks time. In between, things can be settled, my lords.
Petitioner challenged the arbitrary action of part number 1. In issuing a letter to the petitioner for invocation of bank guarantee of rupees 664,004 number of Kerala Electricity Board Limited, be letter at 26/8/2006. First paragraph you write, you should write everything. First
My lords,
paragraph,
I'm sorry, my lords.
for what they want the bank guarantee to invoke, that you don't write.
My lords,
Ete story lekhuche se story joda
no, I'm
darkar
sorry
story
for
lekhibo.
sorry, my lord. That's why I precise in my
This is
submission.
a Deficit in your.
Yes, my lords, I bowed on, my lords.
You should,
That is why I precisely.
improvise on that.
Yes, my lord.
Always first 2-3 paragraphs, whatever you want to say, that should reflect
Yes, my lords.
in detail.
Yes,
That's why I always insist, please argue without looking any paper.
that is why, my lords, I bowed on, my lords.
That's why.
Yes, my lord, I bowed on, my lords.
Otherwise you will never.
Yes, my lords.
Goppo.
That we have learned from your lordships, my lords.
Ravensa College story good case thila. Ravensa College good.
Yes, my lords.
First 5 page खाली Ravensa College history लिखिला. को राजा केते हजार टंका डिपोजिट करथिले तापरे से राजा रेवेन्सा कॉलेज स्टार्ट हला रेवेन्सा साहेब के उडे थिले कोन ब्ला 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 सो मेनी स्टोरी मो रेवेन्सा कॉलेज स्टोरी केबे जान नथली सेटा पढि के जानि गली एनीवे तापरे आइला तांकर से कोन ही जॉइन इन द ईयर सेठु तो स्टार्ट कर थांतु 5 पेज के वेस्ट कर अननेसेसरी
My lords, I bowed.
I compelled him to withdraw and refile the case. So this
My lords, I bowed on, lords. That is what
to
we.
the point lekhiba khatam
Yes,
unnecessary goppo lambile konta hum
Yes, yes, my lords.
case thiba 2 paragraph sari jautu ta lekhiba goppo se company kon kala company kodi ete goppo lekhicho
No, my
eti
lords.
joy dela to incorporation hela company incorporation zaruri
Nahi.
eta zaruri
No, my lords.
obviously company to incorporate heithibo
Yes,
abina incorporation company ke dela
my lords.
ade se goppo kan lekhibo
My lords.
see that straight away this company had business transaction with this company this to the
My
point
lords, my lords.
straight away come to the point unnecessary goppo like registered company Kerala board is registered under companies act it
My lords, we'll just approach the bank, my lords. I bowed on, my lords.
companies act this that unnecessary
My lords.
just wasting time of yours and other mine I have to read unnecessary things
My lords, may kindly see the synopsis if your lordship may kind of. That would be some.
body re kahi rahibani
My lords, I am learning. I'm so grateful for your lordship's kind advice. My lords, I'll follow them.
ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଆଜିକାଲି ଯୋଉ list of that start ହେଇଗଲାଣି same as duly communicated to the opposite party. Have you written here anywhere
No, lords.
that because of their non-performance you are suffering? Have you written? No,
No, it's in the
that
body.
you have not written.
In the
Which is
body.
very
my lords.
important.
Yes, my lords. Yes.
Why are you claiming them then?
Right.
If you have not written then
My lords.
you should
My lords. My lords.
try to improve all these
Yes,
things.
yes.
Tell me what happened.
My lords,
Why they are not
the dispute between my lord, the dispute between the petitioner and the opposite part number 2 is in the verse of settlement. That is why.
Dispute between the petitioner and the no. There are sort of
Yes.
settlement. You said something before that. You said there are some what certifying something.
Yes, energization certification.
Why did you write all these things? Why?
My lords, my lords, my
Why are
lords.
you not writing all these things?
My lords, in the body.
Every time I am saying please
My-
write all those things.
Yes, sir.
Nah,
But
खाली
it's
गप्प
some-
लेखियो.
Yes, ma'am.
जोड़ दरकार सेटा लेखियोनी.
My lords.
The Kerala opposite party board na
Yes.
is required to issue an energization
Certificate. Yes,
What is the energization?
energization certificate.
What is that?
Well, they certify that the equipments are capable of supplying and retaining energy, my lords.
Energization certificate, which is yet to be issued by them.
Yes.
So, full stop. Since the petitioner is unable to perform the contractual obligation because of the non-issuance of the energization certificate, the petitioner, the respondent cannot unilaterally invoke the bank guarantee. Hence, the petitioner is trying to settle the dispute amicably.
Right.
Hence, in its how much time?
4 weeks time.
4 weeks time. So, settle the disputes. In the meantime, what is the IA?
Well, I pray that Lordship may direct the bank to give us 4 weeks time to settle the dispute and report, or else the bank is under the obligation to invoke this.
Why should bank will give you time, sir?
Well, it's because
Unless that party, I mean, if that party doesn't give you the time, doesn't give.
But that is why I'm saying that party, if they are aware that I am defaulting, then the very date my bank guarantee should have been invoked.
Time, the invocation of bank guarantee be stayed till the next date of hearing.
Right.
Hello?
I'm grateful.
I am not giving that much time. I'll give you only two weeks time. Huh?
Yes, madam.
By 31st, sir. 31st.
I'm mobilized.
Next list of list the matter on 31st.
Yes.
Because only bank.
Your Lordship, please. Yes, madam. We'll settle it, madam.
Much time. Yeah.
I'm grateful.
Next.
Item number 6.
6.
May I please? My lord, in this case, I am having only a limited prayer. I am having only a limited prayer that the opposite party may be.
Case टा कौन कौन तो limited prayer की unlimited prayer पछे आसीबा आगो case टा कौन तो समस्त को कहूची young counsel must come prepared within 3-4 lines. Then you should go to the limited prayer, unlimited prayer, annexer, blah blah blah. Why are you just not doing that? कौन case टा कौन तो shortcut.
My lord,
3-4 line रे कौन तो. Yes, please.
the petitioner prays for the release of her FD, which has been deposited in the bank with the
FD.
opposite party.
What is the problem?
The FD can only be released after the. It cannot be released without the leave of the court.
Why? Why leave you required?
Because-
This is, my lord, this accidental amount after death of his father, a 2 lakhs amount was obtained, which was deposited in shape of fixed deposit. And it is
That's
mat-
fine.
it
Who is
is
the
ma-
legal
ma-
heir? You are the
maturity.
legal heir?
Her mother,
Who is the nominee?
her mother, my
Mother. Your mother.
petitioner's mother.
मतलब फिर mother nominee, what is the problem?
My lord, the maturity value is 14th January 2030, and the maturity.
2030.
And
So
and
why
em-
the maturity value that the bank doesn't give the court permission is required? Who told you?
if this honorable court will pass an order.
No, sir. It's wrong. I don't know why you are saying so.
My lord,
If suppose if I have fixed deposit, I may not get the maturity value.
my lord,
That you may not get, but
one-
that you money you can always get.
I mean, urgent need of money.
one thing-
So the bank should give you.
my lord, here.
Sir, आप ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମତେ କହିଲେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ
ସେ ଗୋଟେ stipulation ଟେ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ରହିଯାଇଛି।
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା ଆଗ ପଛେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କଥା କହିବି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ ଆପଣ ଫିକ୍ସ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଦରକାର ପଡିଲା ହଠାତ୍ ପଇସା ଦରକାର ପଡିଲା ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ର କୋର୍ଟ ର ପରମିଶନ ପରେ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ପାଇବେ ୱିଥ୍ ଲସ୍ ଇଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ नो
ସେ ଯୋଉ କୋର୍ଟ ଡେପୋଜିଟ ଆସେ
बिल्कुल नहीं सर अपन it is the bank is duty bound to give you money हाँ
if this
इंटरेस्ट रेट एगुडा सब रहइबनी सर
this
माने
honorable court
तांगर ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା କ୍ୟାଲକୁଲେସନ ଥାଏ ସେ କ୍ୟାଲକୁଲେସନ ଦେବେ
this honorable court will pass an order.
सर ऑनरेबल कोर्ट बिल्कुल पास करिवनी why should court first you involve court first of all एथिबे कोर्ट को काहे के आसीबे जण
this is accidental claim amount.
सर एक्सीडेंटल क्लेम accidental claim no? What is accidental claim?
See,
Fixed deposit para? ଏବେ କହିଲେ fixed deposit for accidental claim
no,
କୁଆଡେ
no,
ପଡିଲେ?
my lord, that amount of rupees 2 lakhs came from a railway department.
हम लोग भगवान बचाए यार.
That is the compensation amount. Yes.
So why are you not saying all these things? Fixed deposit, fixed deposit.
Compensation amount, compensation.
Key compensation.
It employment,
But
detail.
key compensation.
My lord, the father of the petitioner was an employee of
Of the
railway.
railway.
Employee of railway.
Huh?
Employee of Indian Railway.
Indian Railway.
My lord. He died in 2013 during the course of,
2013.
yes, lord. During the
Uh,
course of his employment. Hence, the petitioner was awarded this compensation amount.
Okay. তারপরে সেই amount
My lord.
not fixed deposit in general.
That is.
সেটা কোনাদের fixed deposit କହୁଛନ୍ତି facts are clear କରନ୍ତୁ. So that amount from 2013 is pending.
No, my lord, it
Amount was deposited on 14th January 2020 and it is a maturity value is 14th January 2030.
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଯେ ସେ amount deposit କଲେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ instruction କଲେ deposit. He instructed you to deposit the amount. FD ରେ ଯୋଉ କଲେ ସେଟା କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ award ରେ ସେଟା order ଥିଲା?
ତାଙ୍କର legal madam ନା ତାଙ୍କ wife ନା ରେ fixed deposit ଆସିଲା. Fixed deposit deposited in the name of his wife, deceased wife.
You go and give a representation to the bank.
they are not accepting, my lord.
अरे भाई अभी तो करो.
Give the direction.
A direction may be given that within 1 week.
Petitioner is required to approach the bank for release of the compensation amount. Compensation amount which has been deposited in a fixed deposit by the bank. By the bank on the order of what? Order of the tribunal.
The tribunal, my lord,
Tribunal order दिखला.
deposit.
अरे facts किसी order किसी facts
Text remains that branch is merged with Union Bank of
that
India.
doesn't matter. इनको तो पता होना चाहिए.
नहीं, इसको तो
आपको जोड़ा नहीं. तो बैंक ये जो order tribunal order कौन लिखता है? Fixed deposit
हाँ, fixed deposit में.
तो no. ये order by the tribunal date के order.
I do not have my lord.
Huh?
I may pardon, my lord. Not have.
I don't pardon such kind of mistake. Please go and find out this. Everything I will pardon you. Please go. Have some information. Why are you coming just like blank? Please. This is a code. You are just behaving like a panchayat. मुंडो कुड़ीवा कोड नु एटा.
वो order रे से fixed deposit टा order ହେଇଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ deposit କରିବା ପାଇଁ.
Excellent. ସେଟା ଲେଖିଦେବେ ସେ ଭିତରେ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଲି ଏ ଯୋଉ
application.
representation ଲେଖିଦେ ହେଲା. And the bank shall take positive step to release the amount as the petitioner is in need of the urgent need of money. Can time waste कर रहा है to get money first. But you write everything in your representation, okay? Author court in the no answer. Dispose of.
Dispose of, my lord.
Obviously, why should I keep it? Go. Next. I want दे दे पैसा दे देबे. आ पैसा ना दे
ना.
आ तार पैसा ताको दे असुविधा. Next.
Item number 7.
In item number 7, I am for the opposite party. Your lordship is already heard this matter.
कौन मानते हैं?
এটা ଆପଣ ଶୁଣିଥିଲେ ଯେ ସେ actually କହୁଥିଲେ କଣ ନା ଏଟା ସେ ଗୋଟେ crop loan ନେଇଥିଲେ ବୋଲି କିନ୍ତୁ wrongly submit କରିଥିଲେ
My lord,
ମୁଁ
on behalf of
document ମତେ
Mr.
ଦେଇଛି bank ରୁ ସେଟା business loan ଥିଲା term loan ଥିଲା ନାଇଁ
On behalf of Mr. Satpathy, my respected submission.
ସେଟା ସରିଯିବ ମୁଁ କହିଦିଏ ଟିକେ ସାର୍ ଯାହା କହିଥିଲେ instruction ନବା ପାଇଁ ତ
ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ fresh proposal ଦେବୁ along with some money, let them take a decision regarding that.
नहीं नहीं
Regarding
এটা
this
কোন
settlement,
প্রকার?
এটা loan টা
term loan
term loan টা নেই.
Term loan is definitely not for crop.
exact it's a business loan
Crop loan तो crop loan पूरा ये तो
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
से
ତାପରେ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ସେ ଲୋକଟା ତ ଛୋଟ ଲୋନ୍ ଟା ନେଇଛି ଟିକେ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ ଯଦି
ଆମର
କିଛି ହେଇପାରିବ
ଆମର ଯୋଉ
settle
demand notice ଟା 4 ଲକ୍ଷ 4,000.
आप अपने काम को return back the money and live in peace.
पैसा
Why unnecessarily
we will submit a proposal that the bank will take the
ନା, ଆପଣ
decision.
ଗୋଟେ
We will pay some amount also.
extraordinary-
ଲକ୍ଷେ ଦେଢ ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା
ନା, ନା,
ଦେଇକି
extraordinary delayed proposal
ସେମିତି
ଦେବେ।
ହବନି
ନା,
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ
1 lakh
ହଜୁର କହିଥିଲେ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ଟୋଟାଲ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ କେତେ
4,04,000
କେତେ ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଦେବେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଖତମ ଆଉ ଏଟାକୁ ଲମ୍ବାଉନି।
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି
ହଁ।
ସେଟା ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଟୋଟାଲ ଯେ ଯୋଉ ଆରଥର ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହଉଥିଲେ ଯେ ଅନଆପ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଏତେ ଗୁଡା କାହିଁକି ହେଲା ଗରିବ ଲୋକଟା
ହଁ, ହଁ,
ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ସେଟଲ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କଥା ହେଇକିରି ମୁଁ ଜୋନାଲ ଅଫିସରେ ବସିକିରି ତାଙ୍କର କମିଟିକୁ ବସେଇକିରି ତାଙ୍କର ହେଡ୍ ଅଫିସ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଲୁ ସେଟା 17 ଲାख ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ହଉଛି ଅଡ୍ ଫିଗର ହେଇକିରି ଟୋଟାଲ ସବୁ ମିଶେଇଲେ
ଲୋନ୍ ନେଇଥିଲେ କେତେ
1,20,000 ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇଥିଲେ ଗରିବ ଲୋକଟା ଏତେ ତ ଦେଇପାରିବନି
ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ
ସେଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା
କେତେ
12.75
ଏଇ ଟାଇପର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆଗ କାଳେ ଜମିଦାର ଥିଲାନି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ଜମିଦାର ଆଉ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ କେମିତି
ମୁଁ ତ
କରୁଥିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଜାଣିନି
ତୁ
ଜିନିଷ
ନେଲୁ 5 ମୁଁ ଦେଲି 5 10 ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ 5 20
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଚକ୍ରବୃଦ୍ଧି ସୁଧ 20 କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତମେ 25 କି 30
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ
ପହଞ୍ଚେଇ
ଯେହେତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ମଲ ଲୋନ ଟା ଥିଲା ଏଇଟା ଦେଖିଲୁ ଯେ 7 lakhs ରୁ କମ ରେ ସେଟା ଅତି ମିନିମମ୍ ଟୁ ମିନିମମ୍ 7 lakhs ହେଲେ ସେଟା ସେ କ୍ଲୋଜ
ସାର୍
କରିପାରିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା କଣ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ପକେଇଲେ ତା
ସେଟା 4,60,000 ହଉଛି ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ବାଲାନ୍ସ ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ସାରିଛି
ସେଇଥିରେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିದ್ರೆ ହବନି ଆପଣ
Lordship,
କାହିଁ ସେ ବାଜେ ଆଜି ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଗୁଡା ପକଉଛନ୍ତି
your lordship may direct
ଚାଷୀ
Yes, yes. Your
ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି
lordship pleases
ବଡ ବଡ ପ୍ଲେୟାର ମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଧରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
but
ଚାଷୀ ଗୁଡା
one line commission may be recorded
Four-
submit
four-
7 lakhs
4,04,000
ହଁ
no 4,60,000 as in
ଯାହା ବି ହେଲା
as in
One-
ଆପଣ କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ
1,50,000 ଦେବୁ ଆଉ
କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଦେବେ
4,60,288
within 3 months.
within 3 months entire amount madam 3 months ଭିତରେ ଚଳିବ 3 months ତ okay the madam now she is agreed and 3 months ଭିତରେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 3 months ଭିତରେ ତାପରେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଯାହା action ନେବା କଥା ନେବେ ହେଲା ମୁଁ 3 months ଭିତରେ ବୋଲୁଛି order pass କରୁଛି ହଁ what is the amount
4,04,000
no କେମିତି 4,60,288 rupees 0.80
4 lakhs allowed customer the bank submit that the outstanding amount is rupees 4 lakh
60,000
60,000
288 rupees
288 rupees
0.80
0.80 okay
this is the outstanding balance
આપણે કાગળ શું દેજો
ଦେଇ ସାରିଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେବି
ହଁ ଏ ଅଛି ଏଟା ଏ amount
କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ଖାଲି ମୋର
ମୁଁ
submission-
ଲେଖିଛି land council for the bank further submit that the bank considering the uh, condition financial condition of the
petitioner.
present petitioner and who is a farmer farmer ତ
Farmer ନୁହେଁ, businessman
ଆପଣ କଣ ଆପଣ କଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କଣ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
businessman ପା
କ୍ରପ୍ ଲୋନ୍ ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
crop loan ନୁହେଁ sir.
ଚାଲ
This-
financial condition of the present petitioner the bank has already waived lot of interest hello so the petitioner is agreeable to pay back the entire loan amount within 3 months So,
to the tune of rupees 4,60,000
ସେଇ 4 lakh
ଆମ ସେଇଟା
ହଁ,
ଆଉ
ଟ-
କଣ?
ନାଇଁ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ୟୁନ୍ ଦଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏଟା ଧୁନ୍ ହେଟା ଟ୍ୟୁନ୍ କହିଲେ ଏଟା ଧୁନ୍ ଦେବି ଏବେ ଏଟା ହେଲା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ମନ୍ଥରେ ଆପଣ ମିନିମମ୍ 2 ଲାख ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିବେ
1,50,000 1 lakh ଠିକ ଅଛି
2 lakhs ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିବେ ବାକିଟା ଆଉ ବାକି ରେଷ୍ଟ କରିବେ ହେଲା
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
and of which
ଠିକ
rupees 2 lakhs shall be deposited by September 15 ହେଲା by September 15 and the rest of the amount September lake bela aje to 15 November 15 rest by November 15 ହେଲା
Your lordship added one line I mean we submit the minimum rupees 7 lakhs is for closing of the loan amount my submission not any other thing.
Land council को नहीं land council को
Bank.
submit ऐसे आगे लिखियो है
7 lakh minimum 7 lakhs
minimum 7 lakh
is required for
is
closing the
required
account
for closing the account however considering the
condition of the petition
financial condition
Condition.
the petition.
and the the interest amount of saddled on the petitioner over the, yes, this bank. So now ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଲେଖିବି?
ନା କିଛି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୋ submission ଟା only, nothing else.
Submitted, but the land council petitioner submitted, the amount is actually 4 lakh.
60,000.
4,61,000.
And considering the above submission, the first month shall be paid within September 15, 2 lakh rupees, 2 lakh, and rest of the amount is
Deeply obliged, my lord.
next.
For your lordship, only academic purpose, your lordship asking me to show the insurance document.
हाँ.
जो दुई प्रकार इंश्योरेंस थिला इंश्योरेंस गोटे मैंडेटरी आपन जोटा कहतले सेटा परफेक्ट पूरा गोटे मैंडेटरी रहिछि जेटा प्रॉपर्टी रा आरटा आज्ञा दरकार होती जोटा मु कहउथली सिमते एटा मु निजर
मरि जीव बाय चांस
नहीं हां
से लोनी जदी मरि मरि जीव ता
Liability insurance.
कहउथली मु निजर जोटा मु कॉपी देछि तो लॉर्डशिप का
Liability insurance. That is liability insurance.
एबे हमर सब टाइप हे जाइछि आ एटा 90% लोक एटा करूछंती लोन टा जे भी करू नथिबे एटा कर दबा
House building loan must.
हाउस बिल्डिंग सेटा करबे सेटा अलगा माने
नहीं अलगा रे हबनी आपण जहा कहउतले सेटा ठीक केवल हाउस बिल्डिंग रे एबे प्रैक्टिस को आनी लेनी लोक माने डीपली obliged.
नेक्स्ट, थैंक यू.
Item number 8.
8
Release of solution benefit in favor of the petition as per Annex 3. Legal certificate अनुसार discuss हो.
how he died? How did he die?
By accident by hit and run. Accident unknown vehicle.
Unknown vehicle.
Unknown vehicle.
Unknown vehicle the covered. It's covered.
Copy आगे मुझे इसी transport आरोप तो देइछे.
Unknown vehicle is covered.
ऐसे जो ये रे.
हाँ. अबे इशू नोटिस समझा next.
Proposal.
But why? What is the reason for not granting?
She express that the entire amount will be paid to the wife because the mother is the dependent there. The mother proportionally mother or wife दिया जाओ prayer.
आगे पैसा तो आगे मिलू तापर मदर को देबे
पैसा मिलबा पैसा ऑलरेडी अप्लाई करा छी
के अप्लाई करछि वाइफ करछि ना मदर करछि आपन का पई मदर पई वाइफ को कहीं दिया जेबनी मदर को कहीं दिया
मोके प्रोपोर्शनल मदर
एटा पाइला पर डिवाइड कर दा करा करी सब वाइफ गुड क्लेमेंट मदर गुड क्लेमेंट आरटी ऑफिस तार काम कोन
आरटी एक्सप्रेस करते
किछि मु कहबिनी बिल्कुल ता वाइफ को मिलबो आगो वाइफ पछे मदर
लीगल सर्टिफिकेट
मदर गुड हस्बैंड थिबो ना
मदर हस्बैंड से तो बहुत ओल्ड है डिपेंडेंट मदर से डिपेंडेंट तनो करी
मदर डिपेंडेंट तार बागमंटा करा है
मोर आज पर लीगल सर्टिफिकेट
आपण फास्ट अपियर करतु
आगे अप्लाई करा
लीगल आगे बांटिया चिंता आगे पैसा आगे मिलु
लीगल सर्टिफिकेट अछि
कोन कहले दिया हबनी कहले
दिया हबो जे मोर हला कथा लीगल
On antecedent he came.
सर कहा को मिलियो तो मिलु तो पैसा आगो तार पैसा जे मोटा कोटा गले मो पको आसी बांटी देबी
हला से तो सरिया तो काम आगे
हां
मोटा मद से वाइफ त नहीं
मु बांटिया पे बसिनी एठी
मदर
आपण फास्ट पैसा पांतु
माइलर ओनली
कोन पे देलेनी तो कहबे मो ए बोंटा कोंटा डिस्प्यूट आली सॉरी सर मु कहबे
प्रोपोर्शनली दिया जा मो सेति प्रेयर
मु काहे की मु कहबे मु काहे की
डायरेक्ट रिलीज हम प्रोपोर्शनली
आउ के नहीं जान देला
त जियो अछि
आ जियो पे जियो कहबे मते भी दियो
ना जियो छोट 4 वर्ष जियोटा के
4 वर्ष जियो काला बड़ा होबनी के
हां से
ता पे ये तार बाहर
तीन जन दिया जा प्रोपोर्शन 3 जन दिया जा
मदर वाइफ को दे ता जियो पे से पैसा रखो
3 जन दिया जा
मदर
3 जन ना तो अछि
मदर के जरूर नहीं जानतो
3 जन लीगल सर्टिफिकेट
आपण छुआ पिला के नहीं
आज तो
मदर आ गोटे खाली
नहीं गोटे
आ जियो नहीं
नहीं किछि नहीं
आ तार प्रॉपर्टी नहीं
प्रॉपर्टी तार हस्बैंड अछि ना
हां हस्बैंड हला हस्बैंड दबनी हस्बैंड को वाइफ को ये यदि वाइफ के पहला हस्बैंड रो सीता मां पाइबनी ता हस्बैंड रो नहीं पाइबनी
विडो पाइबो सब
हां विडो कोन प्रॉपर्टी पड़े गेला
ना ना मो के मो माय
यार मो ए सब
माय सबमिशन जो
ए सब डिस्प्यूट को जाए नहीं सिंपल आपण फास्ट से पांतु आपण कम रिजेक्शन बॉर्डर रखिले कोड रिजेक्ट कराई छी
रिजेक्ट कराएनी
आ तो फिर कम आपण पळे
नहीं से दीजिए ग्रीवेंस
No, no, it is too premature.
Unnecessary- unnecessary
No,
fa-
no, no, not too premature. The petitioner has failed to raise the proper ground to approve as for by reproduction. And no projection has been raised. If however, any cause of action arise, the petitioner is granted liberty to approach this court afresh. Hala? Now, next.
Item number 9.
Item number 9.
That
But
was-
here the matter is, it is selection of Asa Karmi Miller. Here the dispute lies here, Lord. Very simple dispute, Lord. Annexure 5. That is the
Our
Asa.
dispute ta kaun to annex
Huh,
five
sir.
pacho
Yes, sir. The dispute, the disengagement of the Asa Karmi Miller.
kaun pai?
On the ground that the more age is 2060, kintu more as per the birth certificate and the school living certificate 63. So I am entitled 2 years more job. Person can see the annexure 5.
रुहंतु
Yes.
एंदी अधा अधा कहंतु
नहीं,
मते पूरा सिस्टमैटिक भल
I कौन sir.
आपण कोन
Sir,
चाहुचंदी
sir,
कहले एज मोरे एतिकी हेबा
नहीं से हाँ से annexure
मु एनेक्सर कहले भूल होबा पर पहले एनेक्सर धरले ना भूलला
they have rejected my
एनेक्सर छाड़ी भी
yes,
कहू
exactly.
नाउ क्वेश्चन इज
Yes.
व्हाट इज द इशू
Issue is that there's as the relation, the matter is this disengagement of the Asa Karmi Miller. Yes, they say caution. Yeah, they are caution. I have already 60 years already.
you have already crossed
Yes, I have as
अच्छा,
per
आपण
this scheme. No,
चाहुचंदी
no, sir. As per this scheme, 26, sir,
आपनकर एज केते
62. It's 60 more.
64
So I am entitled to 62 as per the scheme. Annexure 5. That's all. I showed
आपण
annexure.
केते आपण जो चाकरी कला केते आपण एज डेट ऑफ बर्थ देथिली
देई सर देखुन स्कूल सर्टिफिकेट अछि सर देइछु मु आने सर करछि सेही सेम थिंग दैट इज इश्यू लॉट्स दैट लॉट्स ग्रांटेड स्टे ऑर्डर देयर
सब कला
यस annexure 6
फेक एंड रे किछि हबनी
नहीं annexure 6 सर
फेक एंड रे होए
नहीं जब स्टार्टिंग देई सर
फेक एंड रे हबनी
नहीं फ्रैग नु सर स्टार्टिंग देई सर
एपण आपण जदी एज ए करबा थिला आपण जॉइन करू करू केते ता टाइम अछि वर्ष के 2 वर्ष भीतर करबा
हम सब देई दी सर
कोन दै
सर्टिफिकेट देई सर लॉट्स में annexure 6 देखुन सर मु देई देई से माने दे आर क्रिएटिंग डिस्टर्बेंस दैट annexure 6 में पेज 24
6 टाइम केते नंबर है खोलो
Item number 9.
annexure 6 पेज 24
आपण मैट्रिक सर्टिफिकेट नहीं की
सर मैट्रिक पास कर अष्टम पास कर सर annexure 6 सर देखो सर डेट ऑफ बर्थ सर 5/1/2001
सर्टिफिकेट का क्या औकात है जिसको पैसा बड़ा हो पहले जमाने में कुछ भी मतलब
सर
आगे जमाने में स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट में मास्टर को 100 टका पड़ दिले से
नहीं सर जो जेन्युइन सर मोर बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट जोड़ा दी सर नहीं सर बात जोड़ा दी सर
आपण केबे जन्म हेतरी
सर कोई सर 5/1
आपण को मसिया जन्म हेतरी
ये सर देखो सर 5/1
को मसिया जन्म हेतरी
सर 5
रोहन तो कोई मसिया जन्म हेतरी
63
yes 63 डेट बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट बनथला
हां सर होतला सर सर दे सर
मोर बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट
सर आई आने सर
हॉस्पिटल वाले बनौ नथले
नहीं सर डॉक्यूमेंट्स देखो सर डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट इज नो डिस्प्यूट दैट will also grant stay out there annexure 6 and 7 there is no dispute
शहर रे जन्म हिजंदा
yes
शहर रे
एकदम भाई
शहर
annexure 6 my date of birth yes सेमान क्वेश्चन में आधार कार्ड सर
टिकट टिकट
आगे
ठीक है होल्ड ऑन
आगे
ए एक्ट केबे करा गया 1969 रो एक्ट
यस
आपण 63 जन्म हेले केंदी बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट इशू होला
सर
आपण 69 रो बर्थ
हां
60 माने 63 रो बर्थ
हां
69 ए बर्थ रजिस्ट्रेशन डेथ रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्ट आसिला 1969 रे आपण केंदी कवर गेले सेतरे
सर स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट सर दोजो सर हां सर स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट सर
आगे ए जो सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ बर्थ देखले एटा केबे इशू
सर देखो
इशू केबे इजी
23
हां डेट ऑफ इशू 1923
हां सर नहीं मु अटेक्ट मागी मत देशन से सर स्कूल सिटी सर देछंदी देयर इज नो डिस्प्यूट सर
आपण जहां डेट देले से
नहीं सर सेमान मत रिजेक्ट करसन काहे की मु आधार कार्ड देखि
सुनंतु आपण को दउ सुनंतु यू जस्ट फॉर योर क्लैरिफिकेशन डेथ एंड बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट एक्ट 1969 रे आइला
आया
हां आगरु ए जो डेट बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट जहां आपण लेखि के दउतले हेटा यूज ला सुनंतु तेनु ए जो 1969 जो एक्ट आइला परे आपण डायरेक्ट हॉस्पिटल रु जो डेट ऑफ बर्थ जन्म होतले सेठू आना होतला
आगे आगे
ये होतला
आगे
डेथ भी सेठी से हिसाब रे आपनकर जो ए जो तर फॉर्मेलिटी अछि
आगे
से
आगे
हिसाब रे आइला
आगे
किंतु 63 रे सब फॉर्मेलिटी नथिला
आगे आगे
now the question is
yes
on what basis you are claiming
that is the on basis of the by birth certificate and school leave
बाय
certificate
सर्टिफिकेट किछ माने नाही मो
अच्छा,
एयर माने कोन
सर,
कहली पर से रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ बर्थ एंड डेथ सर्टिफिकेट एक्ट नै नथिला सेतबेला
सर just school leave certificate
एटा आपण 1923 रे अप्लाई करछथि
हाँ जी
हाँ,
सर
तो?
जे सर डिस्प्यूट सर क्रिएट करले सर सर गुड लाइट एट द टाइम ऑफ माय अपॉइंटमेंट
सर लास्ट मोमेंट रे हमें एसब डिस्प्यूट हमें
नहीं सर लास्ट मोमेंट सर नुए
ना।
दैट इज ए फास्ट मोमेंट रे सेमाने रिजेक्टेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ
डिस्प्यूट केबे हला
सर आधार कार्ड सर लक्ष्मण आने सर
आपण
5
केबे जानिले जे आपनकर रिटायर करा जाउ
yes yes आने सर
के अटकंतु
कहो सर
डोंट बी इन अ हरी
आने सर 5 सर
डोंट बी इन अ हरी
Exact,
एनेक्सर
exact.
फनेक्सर
आने सर यस
मो कथा सुन
सर
आपण ए जो रिटायर करिवा डेट ता
आज्ञा
2 वर्ष पूर्वरु हे जाउ बोली केबे जानले
ए आने सर 5 सर दैट इज ऑन
Annexure 5 रे जानले
7
मैं
to
पचास
20
से केबे जानले
7 to
when
20
did you realize that you are going to retire 2 years before the retirement date
सर 7
Where, again document नाइ
सर
आपण फर्स्ट मते कोन
yes sir
when did you come to know that
आज्ञा
you are retiring before 2 years
7 to 23 sir
हां आपण 23 रे
yes they gave that letter sir
सर सुप्रीम कोर्ट रो क्लियर कट जजमेंट अछि फेक एंड रे सो
सर फ्रेगेंट में कौन सर
फेक
नहीं नहीं तो उसमें खाली हियर मी मिला तो देयर इज नो फ्रेगेंट सर
Yes,
at the very initiation I have submitted all document at time of engagement that before the CDMO
अच्छा आपण को जो
सर से रिजेक्शन काहे
फॉर्म भरतले से फॉर्म रे कोन लिखितले
सर
से जो फॉर्म भरतले
कोड जेतले एंगेजमेंट हैला
हां
से डॉक्यूमेंट
ठीक
से डॉक्यूमेंट सर मु कोड
आज
सर
गोटे काम करू
that
जो
is
फॉर्म भरतले से फॉर्म
सर हम आनु सर हां सर
को डेट भरतले से देखिया
ये सर
ना ना से जानबे ना
हां सर देखो हां तापर आने सर 7 5 पे रही
produce the document related to
yes
the his the that his engagement
yes
initial date of
yes
engagement
yes
and the form which he filled up
yes
at the time of his engagement
yes
आनंद देखिए
इसमें एंट्री मोड में एक्सटेंडेड
नहीं इंटरव्यू में कौन
ना दे सर अपन एंगेज कर देबे ना से अन्य को
कहा को
ओ अन्य को
बाहर था जो थिबे बोले मुझे
नहीं सर एंगेज दे दैट इंक्लूड देयर सर इंक्लूड देयर सर इंस्ट्रक्शन सर के
माने आपण
नहीं सर इज हैविंग ए जेन्युइन केस में लक्ष्मी दैट इज लक्ष्मी
गेट फास्ट
सर
लेट इन गेट
हां लेट मी बट
कंटिन्यू करछुदी
हां कोन इंटरव्यू नहीं नहीं मते सर बाहर कर देला अपन स्टेट कर देले जस्ट बाहर कर देले नहीं 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 सर कहा को अपॉइंटमेंट देना दैट इज लक्ष्मी कंटेस्ट स्टे ऑर्डर सर मु केसटा इंटॉक्स है सर
एबे कोन देबी ऑर्डर
अच्छा नो जो सिलेक्शन विल मेड मिला
काई
यस ब्लड
आपण सिलेक्शन काई अटके
नहीं सर सिलेक्शन नॉट सर मु केस इंटॉक्स है
से 3 दिन भीतर आनिबे मु
हां सर आनंद सर
जानला पर
सर मुझे सर आपण ई लॉटिफिकेशन ऑलरेडी ग्रांटेड दैट हां सर ग्रांटेड सर मु न कहि न सर यस द कॉपी जो
पुराना देखला
यस
ऑर्डर
दिस इज ऑर्डर सर अच्छा
कंटिन्यू कर दिया बट 3 दिन 3 दिन 3
नहीं
दिन
सर
ए ऑर्डर
यस यस यस
एटा
यस
पक्का डिसमिस करी
हां यस
जदी आपण आपण देखिले जे ऑर्डर फॉर्म रे जो अलगा डेट ऑफ बर्थ फिल अप करछन
यस सर
देन nobody can
last time also I was praying that lost my call for the record
no you must get the record
yes yes let
get the record
yes
जदी डेट ऑफ बर्थ आपण लेखि चंदी भूल
भूल लिख सर
बड़ा गौर
yes
आपण जते सर्टिफिकेट देखांदो आपण डेट ऑफ बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट देखो जंदी मत 23 रे सर्टिफिकेट देखो जंदी सेतेले आपण जन्म हला वाले से एक्ट ही नथिला हां
सर से माने भी सारे सब रिजेक्ट करछन काई से केट करती पर आधार
सर
दैट इज
आपण से पुराना गोटे ये रे जेते से नॉट गवर्निंग no act was governing the field at the time
let them
can't take the advantage
let them
of
call the
retrospective
let them
benefit
call
of
the
that. Next
let's see add them to
Item number 10.
that is
नहीं
21 रे आसो नहीं एवा 21 ना टाइम लागो 23 रे आसो आने जल्दी आने सादा
again yes till then
still then आगे अच्छी आ कौन दे दी छी आ
Item number 10.
next हैं हिंदी गोडे गोडे चले तारे आक्से सिलेक्शन गवर्नमेंट किसी हबनी सब त्रिशंकु अवस्था रे रहिबो सेति में दिए नी एन जाने यार बेनिफिट नहीं कि आपण सेति त्रिशंकु आको के पेज रे अप्लाई करबो करि पार न तो सिलेक्शन गवर्नमेंट
नहीं नहीं एग्जैक्ट सर लास्ट लक्ष्मी ऑलरेडी
खाली जनकर सुविधा पे आ 5-10 जन को असुविधा रे पके
आशा कर 3 धरा पाउ सर बोलु
ना ଆପଣ ଶୋଇଥିଲେ ହଠାତ୍ retirement ବେଲେ ମନେ ଜାଗିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏ ନିଦ। Next.
Item number 10.
Prisoner is challenging the order dated 24/3/2023 passed by medical officer in charge Jaleshwar CHC. My lord, prisoner is a ASHA Karmi under district project manager in NRHM scheme.
What happened? Tell me sir, clearly what happened?
My lord, prisoner is praying to dismissal order passed.
କାହିଁକି dismiss କଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ?
My lord, meantime रे कोरोना टाइम रे मे 2022 रे मते कोरोना हेतला meantime रे गोटे मास छुट्टी रे थिली सेही टाइम रे ता पर केतले
ଆପଣ permission ନେଇଥିଲେ authority to?
My lord, मु इंटिमेट करिथिली मोर जस्ट
କୋଉଥିରେ intimate କରିଥିଲେ କୋଉ ବାଟରେ intimate କରିଥିଲେ?
मोर मु जा अंडर रे काम करछि एनएम एएनएम अंडर
କରିଥିଲେ
एएनएम को इंटिमेट करथिली
ANM को କହିଥିଲେ application କାଇଁ
application ଦେଇ नथिली किंतु इंटिमेट करिथिली तांको
intimate କଲେ ହୁଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା ऑफिस रे एंदी आपण मु आसीबि रे काली एंदी गला हेजिबो ऑफिस सिस्टम मानिबे ना आपण एंदी ओरली इंटिमेट कर देला हेजिबो आपण एप्लीकेशन देखांतु एप्लीकेशन आला यू हैव नो केस सॉरी शो मी द एप्लीकेशन or else you have no case.
application ଦେଇଥିଲି ସେଟା ଦେଖି
sir ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ application ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ. If you don't have you have not given application you have no case. Sorry.
instruction देबी sir.
While I was sitting in DB you have passed so many similar orders. Application जे नथिबा हम सीधा उड़े दोसली. आ खाली आपण ओरली हम कहि देली फोन कर देली बोला हो.
instruction देबी से application regarding रे किंतु तापर सर मिनटा में तार मोर जे सुस्त होला पर मते जॉइन करिया बोली सेतरा एनए मते कोऑपरेट कले नाही मे मासरे मे 2022
आपण देखांतु कोडी एप्लीकेशन दैछिन. If you want to show me the application I can give you 2-3 days. Fine.
Yes.
Don't expect anything further. Huh? Don't ask for any interim. Allah. Lord Council the petitioner to submit the leave application given to the ANM.
Yeah.
ANM.
Medical officer.
Medical officer Kodi.
Medical officer Jaleshwar.
Medical officer
Jaleshwar CHC
Jaleshwar. List the matter. आपण को गोटे काम को 70 रे दोछि हला 70 रे आपण देखंतु सेटा देखे न पड़ले आपण गले केस नाही आ किछ हला that is the only thing that can save you लागो 70 ras.
Item 11.
Let me tell you very frankly, if you can't show me that replication, then you have no case. Simply you are out of the court. Next.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
The offences under section 302 and 34 IPC, my lord. With the custody since 15/6/2021. Allegation is that, my lord, that on 12/6/2021 at about 5 PM, a meeting was convened near the house of Joshua Gomango, where the present petitioner and other co-villagers were attend that meeting. Where the villagers branded the informant father practicing black magic. Thereafter, one Debo Mistri called the informant's brother, namely Onuko.
Who killed? Actually, who are the person who killed? How many people?
No eyewitnesses in this.
Sir, just a minute.
Yes.
I'm eyewitness a drama karantu.
The villagers.
How many people are there? How many people?
Please, Lordship. Lordship, my loan application has been rejected by the opposite party bank, IndusInd Bank, on the ground that I am the poor civil score, Lordship. And
Can I improve your civil score?
no, Lordship, kindly glance at the last order of this honorable court, Lordship. Lordship directed me to amend the cause title. That's why, Lordship.
You remember?
Yes, Lordship.
So what is the case about?
Lordship, that the loan application has been rejected due to the poor civil score, as because I am the guarantor in respect of certain loans, Lordship. But it is revealed from the civil statement that that loan has already been closed, Lordship. And I have applied before the bank to delete my name, and the bank did not consider, for which I applied before the ombudsman, and ombudsman rejected my application on the ground that the case is pending before the DRT Rajkot. And Lordship, in DRT Rajkot, I haven't received any notice from the DRT Rajkot. Lordship, kindly glance at the civil statement.
You have cleared all the loan.
Yes, no, Lordship, I am the guarantor in that loan, and that loan has been
Guarantor का भी civil score घटता है.
Lordship, kindly glance
If
at
you are a guarantor in a case, na, you are equal like a borrower.
Yes,
That's
yes.
what there is saying.
But Lordship, that
BA, borrower, not a guarantor.
Lordship, my
So
humble
guarantor, if you are a guarantor, your civil score is likely to be affected, madam.
Lordship, my humble submission is in civil statement that loan has already been closed. Lordship, kindly glance at that civil statement, Lordship.
Where is that?
That is page number 9, Lordship, annexure 2.
Page number 9.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
Last question, Lordship. Account number, last payment 5, 10, 12. Type
Madam,
commercial
it is not
vehicle.
visible at all.
That is closed, Lordship. Last one, Lordship.
Which bank?
That is Lordship, Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Talk about it.
I have applied before the IndusInd Bank. Lordship, in last occasion directed me to party the IndusInd Bank. That's why.
You have made party?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that?
Lordship, I have amended the application for that.
Okay, issue notice. Let's see. Let's issue notice.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Issue notice to the grievance of the petitioner is that her loan application, his loan application was rejected because of the grievance of the petitioner is that she has been denied bank loan because of poor civil score, though she has cleared the though she is not a defaulter. Issue notice to. Give by send it by result. Next.
Obliged, Lordship.
Next.
Item 13.
Item 13, Lord, as per your Lordship direction, I have already filed the consolidated cost statement.
Copy the
Date.
and issue notice to the newly added parties.
No, issue notice.
That habo notice habo that bank will separate jibo.
So all. Give copies to them.
Yes.
For the all 1, 2, 3.
My Lord, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
It's not working. ବସିକି ଖାଲି ବସିକି କଣଟା କରୁଛ ତୁମେ ବସିକି କାମ କରୁନି ଚେକ୍ କରିବନି କାମ କରୁଛି ନା ଦେଖିବନି। Sorry, I couldn't get.
As because at the time of filing of the writ petitions, my prayer is to
Sir, as jaha because tha. As because kahin kahanti? As to kahibe nale because kahibe. As because. Okay, English. As kahibe nale because kahibe. Duita saman. Okay. Yes.
kindly have a glance on the order dated passed by my lord on 18/7/2023.
Hmm?
18/7/2023. The petitioner is the father of the deceased husband of the opposite party number 5.
ଆପଣ କେସ୍ ଟା କଣ ଟିକେ କହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ
Okay,
ଏତେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଥର ପଛେ ଦେଖିବି ଆଉ କଣ ଜିନିଷଟା କଣ
କେସଟା ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ମୁଁ ହଉଛି ମୋ ପୁଅକୁ ମୋ ପୁଅର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ହତ୍ୟା କରିଛି ସେଇ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଜେଲରେ ଥିଲା ଏବଂ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
ପୁଅର
ମୋ ପୁଅର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ
ବୋହୂକୁ ହତ୍ୟା କରିଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବୋହୂକୁ ହତ୍ୟା କରିଛି ତ
ମୋ ବୋଉ ହତ୍ୟା କରିଛି ମୋ ପୁଅକୁ
ବୋହୂ ହତ୍ୟା କରିଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସୁପାରି କିଲର ନେଇକିରି
ହଁ ନା
ଆଉ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ବୋଉ ନାମରେ ଯୋଉ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ତ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ମୁଁ ମୋର ସେଇ ଟଙ୍କାକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ରିଲିଜ କରା ନ ଯାଉ
କିଏ ନମିନି ବୋହୂ ଅଛି
ବୋଉ ନମିନି ଅଛି ତେଣୁକରି ଫର ଦ୍ୟାଟ ରିଜନ
How do you so certainly say that she has hired supari killer and kill your son? कोर्ट तो कहनी ना आपण जस्ट डाउट करदले हेजिबो सर कोर्ट कहिछि कि आपण कोर्ट रे से कन्विक्टेड हेछि
कन्विक्टेड है नहीं
फिर आपण केंदी कहि देले सुपारी किलर आनि के मार दे हंदी बलगा
एविडेंस सब आछि एविडेंस सब आछि
आपण एविडेंस कोर्ट मानिछि से एविडेंस आपण जागा दे हेजिबो
ना ट्रायल ता चली ट्रायल
सरू ट्रायल न सरू अगर मु एंदी ऑर्डर काई पास करी
ना ट्रायल सर अकाटे
जस्ट बिकॉज़ से जस्ट रुहंतु आपण बहु मारछि बोली किछ तो प्रूफ नै ना कोर्ट जतले कोर्ट कन्विक्ट करिवो आपण बहु मारछि बोली
प्राइम फेसी इट इज प्रूफ प्राइम
फेसी किंदी हेबो आज्ञा काके मार देबाटा गोटे प्राइम फेसी हे जाय कोर्ट जतले न कहबा जाय
बेल जेहेतु न दिया जाय
हां ए की आर्गुमेंट करछन बेल न पाला बोली सब प्राइम फेसी हे गेला बहुत लोग बेल 5 दिन येट एक्विटल हे जाय बेल मिलेनी किंतु एक्विटल हे जाय फाइनली बस छोटा प्राइम फेसी केस तो बेल मिलले तो आधा से तार एक्विटल हवा कथा नहीं कन्विक्शन हो पक्का हवा कथा प्राइम फेसी रे सब ही जो alleging something very serious allegation against your own bahu
yes
सुपारी किलर आनिछि मारिछि कहउचंती
it is the truth of the this is not a fact
क्लाइंट रो भाषा रे काई कहउछन लॉ रे से भाषा कहउ नांती you are just speaking
it is a fact
अच्छा आपण पर सत्य से छिड़ा आइतिले कि सुपारी किलर आनला देखिले पूरा ना दूरबीन रखितिले एमती एमती गुडे रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट दियंतनी हेई पारे मो कहउनी कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ ताको ये करिनि जे किलर डिक्लेयर करिनि ना हां जेतले कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ करिवो सेतला देखि हां इट इज टू अर्ली
that amount should not be disbursed in favor of her that is my
जेल रे अछि तो
हां जेल
रे को पैसा दे
ना बेल वर्तमान बेल हला जेल
रे अछि
at the time of filing of the writ petition she was in jail when I have filed the requisite as per direction of the honorable court
आपण भाग्य रे नाही पैसा
no I am the legal I am one of the legal I am old father I am old father of my son for that
आपण ससुर
ना I am मो बापा मो पुओट को से हत्या करी
हां हेलो से लेटर ससुर से आपण कोन करंती
मो पियन थिली
पेंशन पाउथि
पेंशन पाउची मो परिवार अछि मो स्त्री अछि
आउ की अछि
नाती अछि
आउ परिवार की अछि
मो भाई वाली मो बड़
पुओ से तार कोन आपण बड़ पुओ कोन आपण डिपेंडेंट की
ना
आपण डिपेंडेंट की अछि ओनली अप योर वाइफ
जियो
जियो भाई नी
भाई छी से ये ही की रही छी माने घर छाड़ के अछि
छाड़ के पळै छी
हां
so you need more money से ता ना नॉमिनेशन से ता ना अछि
ता नाम रे डिपॉजिट ही छी तार मतलब मो पो इज she has no independent source of income my father is
your son has depended in her name
then mo
then mo kindu koibi
na
it's very difficult thing to tell me
That is why I am the
ତା
one.
ନାଁରେ କରିছিল ମୁଁ କିଛି
No, I am one of.
nomination ଯଦି nominee ଥାନ୍ତା then I could have
I
said
am
okay
one of.
other legal heirs should be
No, no.
ସେ ତାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଲାନି ଦେବ
ନା
ନା
ମତେ ଟିକେ ମତେ ସେଟା ଷ୍ଟେ ଥାଉ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ସାର୍ ଏମିତି stay ଦେଇ ହୁଏନି ମୋ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ମୋ ନାଁରେ ହେଇଛି ମାନେ ମୋ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଯାହା କଲି why should court will interfere unless some criminal case is ଲାଗିଛି ଆଉ କଣ
It's because she has no independent source of income. It is that the amount is reported with my son is collecting money on behalf of the bank. Daily deposit କରୁଥିଲା ଏବଂ account ଟାକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲା ତା ନାମରେ ସେଇଟା ସବୁ transfer
I understand but at the same time you should also understand the position. The money was deposited in her name. Huh? When it is deposited in her name, how can I say don't give it to her?
don't give no I am going to
ଏମିତି ହୁଏନି sorry
for a period
sir ଏମିତି ହୁଏନି ଆଉ ଯଦି ସେ nominee ଥାନ୍ତା ମୁଁ କରିଦେଇଥା nominee ନୁହେଁ ତା ନାଁରେ deposit
I am nominee of the deposit ମାନେ
ଯଦି ସେ ଲୋକଟା ମରିଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା ସେ ଲେଡି ପରେ ବଞ୍ଚିଛି ସେ ଲେଡି ନାଁରେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଦଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ୱାଇଫ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିଦେଲା ରାଇଟ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରୁଛି ସରି ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ୱାଇଫ ନାଁରେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କଲେ ପଇସା ହେଲା ଯାହା ଫିଜ୍ ପାଇଲେ ସବୁ ୱାଇଫ ନାଁରେ ଜମା କଲେ ଡେଲି 10-15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଜମା ହେଇଗଲା ବାଇ ଏନି ଚାନ୍ସ ସପୋଜ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଫିକ୍ଟିସିୟସ୍ ଷ୍ଟୋରି କହୁଛି something happens ୱାଇଫ ନାଁରେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାର ସେ ଯୋଉ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ର ମାଲିକ କିଏ ହେଲା
ୱାଇଫ ହବ
ଆପଣ ବଞ୍ଚିଥିଲେ ବି ୱାଇଫ ମଲେ ବି ୱାଇଫ ହବ ତା ନାଁରେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ଏଠି ଯଦି ମରିଯାଏ ମୋ ବାପାଟେ କଣ କରିବୁ
ବାପାଟେ କଣ
ବାପା ବାପା
ये क्या आर्गुमेंट करते हो सॉरी नो आई एम नॉट बेतुका जिंस माने कहबिनी मो सामने आई डोंट लाइक दिस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ आर्गुमेंट यू आर मेकिंग a person in her name the amount is deposited you are saying mo mori gale mo papa kon kari
I am one of the legal hair mo legal hair
legal hair କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଠି
legal hair share ଅଛି ମୋ ପୁଅର legal hair ମୁଁ
ବିଲକୁଲ କିଛି ମିଳିବନି ସେ ଦେବ ତାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ଯାଉ ବୋହୁକୁ ପଟାନ୍ତୁ ବୋହୁକୁ ଗୋଡ଼ ହାତ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଦେବ ଦେବ ନା
ମୁଁ legal hair
ନାଇଁ legal hair କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ନୋମିନି ନା legal hair ସେ ତ ବଞ୍ଚିଛି ନା
ମୋ ପୁଅର legal hair ଏଟା ପୁଅର source of income ଟା ଏଠି ଯୋଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ପୁଅର ନାଁରେ ଅଛି କି
ନା ପୁଅର ନାଁରେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଫିର ପୁଅର ନାଁରେ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୁଅ ନାଁରେ ନାହିଁ ସେ କୋଉଠୁ ହବ
ଆଉ and that ଗୋଟେ annex 2 ରେ ସେ threatening ଦେଇଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ କଥାଟା ପୁଅ ନାଁରେ ପଇସା ଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ବିଲକୁଲ ପାଆନ୍ତେ ଆପଣ ବହୁ ନାଁରେ ପଇସା ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ ହେଇଛି କୋଉଠି ବୁଝେଇବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝି ବୁଝା କରି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲାଙ୍କ କଥା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର କାଉନସିଲ କିଏ ଅଛି ବୁଝେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ କିଏ ପାଇବା କଥା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏମିତି ହୁଏନି ତା ନାଁରେ ଅଛି ସି ଦି ଓନର ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପୁଅର ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଥାନ୍ତା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବହୁ ନୋମିନି ଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ହଁ ସେ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ହିସାବରେ ଆପଣ ପାଆନ୍ତେ ତା ନାଁରେ ତ ପୁଅ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିଛି ତା ୱାଇଫ କୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲା ସେ ତା ନାଁରେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରି ଚାଲିଲା ଏବେ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନା ଭଲ ପାଉନଥିଲା ବୋଲି କେମିତି ହବ ଆଉ ମରିଗଲା ବେଳେ ଲିଗା ସୁପାରି କିଲର ଆଣିଥିଲା ଇଏ ଆଣିଥିଲା ସିଏ ଆଣିଥିଲା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ହଁ ପଇସା ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଏବେ ସୁପାରି କିଲର ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବଦଳି ଯିବ ନା ନା ସି ଭେରି ଗୁଡ ବୋହୁ ବୋଲି କହିବେ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ରହି ଏସବୁ ନାଟ ବୁଝିଲେ ହଁ
ଟିକେ ଥାଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଥିବନି କିଛି
ନୋଟିସ ଟା ଯାଉ ନୋଟିସ
କିଛି ନୋଟିସ କାଇ ଦେବି ମୁଁ
ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଯାଇଛି
ଯାଇଛି ନୋଟିସ ଫିର ବି ଗଲେ ମୁଁ ଡିସମିସ
kindly have a glance of the order dated 18/7/2023 ଟିକେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 18/7/2023 ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର
କନସୁଲେଟ କହିଯାଉ ସେ ତ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇଲେ ସେ ବୋଉକୁ
ଯାଉ
ନୋଟିସ ଯାଉ ହେଲେ କିଛି କରିବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନ ହିଁ କରିବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ ବଟ ମୁଁ କରିଦଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏତେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କରିବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟିକେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଭଲ କରି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଲ ପଢିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ଆସିକି ଏମିତି ବେତୁକା ପ୍ରେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁନି ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଭେରି ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଭେରି ସରି ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ବାହାରିଲେ ସେଥିରେ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ସେ ଲୋକଟା ମଲେ ସିନା ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର କେତେବେଳେ ହୁଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକଟେ ମଲେ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ହୁଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପୁଅ ନାଁରେ ଯଦି ଯାହା ପାଇବେ ସେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ଆଉ ବହୁ ନାଁରେ ଯୋଉ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବହୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ହେଲେ ହଁ ଫିର
ନୋଟିସ ଟା ଯାଉ
ନୋଟିସ ଯିବ ଆଉ ହଁ ଯାଇକି ସେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଯାଇକି ଆଜ୍ଞା ନୋଟିସ ଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କହିବେ ଯାଇକି आपण सब क्लायंट से बहुर ट्रायल सरुणु सरुणु आपनकर ताको सुपर किलर बनै साइलेनी 17 सुपर किलर ना आपण एंती ताको ब्रांडेड सिक्रेट बनै छथि विदाउट आल्सो नोबडी नोज
सत्य
हां सत्य आपण सदा ता घर कोन आपण पाखरी घर की
yes pak that 1.5 kilometer distance
ओ
from
हेते पाख
1.5
ओ नेक्स्ट आइटम
of
list the matter on October 4th जानतु एबे किछि
Item 15.
पैसा नहीं जाऊ
Item 15, my
Next.
lord.
mu nahi kari
Last occasion, my lords directed the state council to bring the status report of the investigation made by the vigilance department.
ये कौन केस था की
The primary school teachers, their GPF amount was disbursed by some officials of the block by forging the signature of the teachers.
को आंसदी
Over telephone, I have received the instruction, my lord. In both the DP and criminal trial, both are pending, my lord. It's continuing. But so far, the instructions from the controller of accounts is concerned, my lord.
ए 2004 ର मैटर टा आपण एंती लंबे चलथि ना कोन आ के सारिबिन के
ତାଙ୍କର ସେଠି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଟା ସରି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ର
तापर
ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍
टिपी सारा तो ना
DPP ଯଦି ସରି ବି ଯାଉଛି in view of this judgment delivered by this honorable court that Joseph Barry case, my lord, he has no case. କାରଣ ସେଥିରେ ତ ସବୁ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲେ ଆମେ DP ଟାକୁ
2004 आज केते
we will conclude the DP, my lord.
19
No
year
issue.
हेलानी आपण धरि बसे
Within 1 month we will conclude the
आ
DP.
एटा को कोट रेट अछि
Vigilance case ଟା
DP काहे against रे अछि एठी आम against रे किछि DP नाही
बोल देते
DP against the accountant and the ex-BDO.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ତାହେଲେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କଣ ହେଲା
is not getting तार ता मनी टा जाईछि
Problem is you have issued the letter for recovery.
that has been forged
on what basis you have issued letter for recovery
my lord the some of the GPF account holders account has been hacked by some other officials including the present petitioners, my lord.
what is the rule
ସେଟା ତ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଟା ଟିକେ ଆଣିବି ଖାଲି ସେଟା ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ଏଇଟା ଆଣିଛି ଆଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲର ଅଫ ଏକ୍ସାମିନର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲର ଅଫ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟସ ମାଇନର ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିବେ ନା ମତେ ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରି ପାରନାନ୍ତି
ଏଟା କଳାହାଣ୍ଡିରୁ ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଆଣିପାରିବି
କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି ଓଡିଶା ଭିତରେ
3 ଦିନ ଛୁଟି ଥିଲା
ବାହାର थोड़ी ଅଛି ଏବେ ସେ 3 ଦିନ ବାକି ଏତେ 2004 ରୁ 3 ଦିନ ଛୁଟି
ଆଉ 1 week time
the last chance of the state is directed to take instruction list the matter on 29th
16.
16 16 नांदी के 2010 मैटर it only taken time the last chance the petitioner is granted time to file the rejoinder though this court on 17/5/2023 given the last chance to file the rejoinder it seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter agreed dismissed
Item 18.
2010 and so many applicants time has been taken by filing rejoinder and this court and last
Item number 18.
My lord, 18, I have just received the counter, my lord. Short time may be given.
File the rejoinder within 1 week.
My lord.
List the matter on 30th August. Next.
Item 20.
20.
Bank officer is under the personal appearance, your lordship.
What happened here?
Regarding that, your lordship directed to appear personal to show whether the amount has been disbursed in view of the Supreme Court judgment on you. If there is credit,
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭୁଲି ଗଲିନି କା ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ଥିଲା ଆପଣ କଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ କହନ୍ତୁ
cooperative society, Baripada Cooperative Society.
Oh, acha acha, I understand. That money.
8 lakh something is bank officer.
He is appearing.
हाँ थिले गल तारीख रे थिले advocate के रघुनाथ सेटा गुड़ा problem हो चुका
advocate
state government
ना हमरो
यार advocate की
तांको ପାଇଁ separate advocate ଦେଖିଦେଲେ ଟିକେ ଯେତେ appear କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ
ना के appear करना state government counter file करछन
ଆମେ କରୁଛୁ but ବାରିପଦା cooperative bank is separate entity, they have separate panel of lawyers man or your lordship may one thing, your lordship may issue notice, fresh notice to the bank man so that it can be
ଚାହିଥିଲା ପରେ ଆପଣ ନେଇଥିଲେ ଚିଠି ପଠେଇଥିଲେ ସେ appear କରିଥିଲେ
ଆମେ
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ extract copy ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସେ appear କରିଥିଲେ ଗଲା ତାରିଖ
ଆମେ ଏଥିରେ କିଛି
ନାଇଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫିସର ଇଏ ଥିଲେ
The last occasion is the manager Baripada Urban Cooperative Bank
ଆଜ୍ଞା
is related to personally present ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଥିଲେ ଖାଲି କାଗଜ ପତ୍ର ବାହାର କରିଥିଲେ ଡେଟ୍ ହେଲା
notice ହେଇନି ଏଥିରେ
Okay, fresh notice is issued to manager Baripada Urban Cooperative Bank Limited Baripada. And the said manager is directed to appear through virtual mode on the next date of listing. The requisite may be filed within
ମୁଁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ନେଇଯାଉଛି
3 working days. Okay.
ହଁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ନେଇଯାଉଛି
Registered post.
ମିଲ
List the matter on 11th September. 11th.
11
Next.
21.
My lord, this is a Gona Shikhaka case. I have filed an affidavit to the rejoinder. I'm serving a copy right now. Last.
ସେଟା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବାର୍ଥର ନା ଏଟା ଦେଇ
Nine,
ନଥିଲେ
nine. There's one more thing, my lord,
let me place it
this case, my lord, you remember, the last occasion Mr. Das said that the review petition was allowed and the tribunal's order was set aside. That was the submission.
No,
Not
you
the
are
kind,
not-
ଆପଣ ସେଇଆ କହିଥିଲେ ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ। My lord, may kindly have a look at this.
let me place my case
ଆପଣ place ଆରଥର ବହୁତ କରିଥିଲେ ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ 2 minutes
Arre,
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ।
it is my case
Yes,
I
of
am
course it is your case. Let my lord see, look at the order. I am not saying it's not your case. Twenty-fourth order, my lord, may kindly see after 6:2. What has happened to the writ petition?
This person is any of the petitioner from this list?
Yes, they had, they-
Santosh Kumar.
no
what had happened was this.
let me place my case my lord thereafter we will see the
Placed
order.
it at
Let me-
length
why
last
this
time.
confusion
Let him-
let me place my case
Okay, let him.
my lord these are the petitioners initially appointed as Gana Shikshak. They are the scheduled caste candidates. While they're continuing, government has brought in a resolution. Kindly see Annexure 2. On 4/12/2013, a policy was framed by the government. Annexure 2. There, my lord, page my lord 19. It starts. The relevant will be for these SC candidates, page 21, paragraph 7. I'm just reading out what the government has taken a decision. Gana Shikshak belong to the category of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and physical handicap, having requisite academic qualification +2 and above, to be considered for Jilla Parishad teachers after completion of 6 years as Gana Shikshak. But the regulation will be deferred till the date of acquiring requisite training qualification. However, they may get the benefit of Jilla Parishad teacher with retrospective effect, that is from the date the completion of 6 years. Nevertheless, the date of acquisition of training and academic qualification shall not be beyond 31/3/2015 in view of the provision of the RTE Act. So we are the Gana Shikshak. We have completed 6 years and thereafter.
What
is
about your
25.
qualification? What about your qualification?
Yeah, I were trained.
No, they were
No,
not.
no, just trained when?
Trained by the time we have been regularized, kindly see page 25. That is their order. Okay, sir.
What is the resolution says?
Resolution
When
says,
should you, I mean, what should be your cutoff date for
yes,
training?
resolution says Gana scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and physical handicap category Gana Shikshak will be regularized as Jilla Parishad
That is
teacher.
not-
Just I'm
not in
completing
this code. I'm
sentence
just
after
asking-
6 years.
Well, I'm asking when.
Cutoff
you
date
are
is
when are you?
31/3/2015.
When are you supposed to have your that qualification?
31/3/2015 is the date for acquisition of the training qualification.
31?
3/2015. That is
By
there.
that time you have to get this.
We had.
All of you have.
Yes, kindly see page 25, Annexure 3. Annexure 3, our order of regulation, it reflects so. Kindly see. Page 25, my lord, got it.
Yes.
19/8/2014. After this resolution 4/12/13, annexure 2, this is the order of regulation. In pursuance to resolution number 27867 SME dated 4/12/2013, that I have read out, dated so and so, corrigendum dated so and so, and the proceeding evaluation committee meeting and on 14/8/2014, the trained Gana Shikshaks mentioned below, we are trained, who are belonging to the category of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, physical handicap, having requisite academic qualification, are hereby appointed a Jilla Parishad teacher on completion of 6 years as Gana Shikshak, with effect from the date as noted against their name and allowed to continue in their present school.
Okay, this part is
So we have been regularized and we are trained. So our name is there, madam. All these list. We are
Then
belongs
sud-
to this
then-
is
then
Chhatrapati,
suddenly you are-
Ganjam.
then
Now,
suddenly you are
yes,
thrown.
what happened, my lord? Just let me, because my friend is excited so much, I have to place the facts. There should not be confusion with the facts. 4/12/2013 is the resolution. Annex para 7 of that resolution give a authority to the authorities to regularize these scheduled caste, scheduled tribe persons on completion of 6 years if they have the training qualification. We had the qualification and we have been regularized on 19/8/2014, annexure 3. Now, some unreserved category candidate, they approach the tribunal at that juncture, challenging that clause. Why the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe candidates were regularized? Why not we also regularize after 6 years? But for the unreserved category candidate, they have decided in that same resolution, they will be regularized after 9 years. There was a point that paragraph 2 of that resolution, which I have not read out. So now against that, they have gone to the tribunal. Tribunal says it is a policy matter of the government. So remitted matter to the government, and government passed the order annexure 4, page 30. What they have gone?
Page 30.
30. Serially, I am going. All these batch of cases were filed in the tribunal, and tribunal remitted the matter. The page 30, the ordering person is quoted there. In that view of the matter, this court directs the petitioner to file fresh representation ventilating their grievances before the opposite part number 1 with regard to their absorption in the post of regular Jilla Parishad teacher. In the event they file representation, opposite party 1 shall consider and dispose of the same in accordance with law within a period of 3 months from the date of communication of this order. This was the direction in all these cases in the tribunal. So now,
What is the government decision?
yes, government decision, kindly see same. This is the government decision I am reading out. Page, my lord, kindly page para 36. Government declined that prayer. Page 36. Running page, same annexure. Para 6. Government said like this. Because their claim was, general ka, scheduled ka, tanka ki benefit doucho. The government says.
This is because of your constitutional mandate.
That is right.
Okay,
Exactly.
Can you say that?
Let me complete, my lord. Let me complete. Let it submit thereafter.
Reservation is at the stage of initial appointment.
Reservation for regularization. Constitution पढ़ के आओ. Argue like this. Don't say all these
My lord,
things.
that decision has been upheld by this honorable court. It is
upheld.
confirmed.
My lord,
Say anything
By
you
division
say.
bench. No, it is there.
My lord,
It's there
I
on
come.
record. I have
Let me
attached it
complete.
also.
Let me
You sit
complete.
down.
Wait.
You sit down. Let him
So
complete.
now what the government has said, the Article 14 of the Constitution of India provides equality before law and entitles a duty upon the state not to deny any person equality before the law, as well as to ensure equal protection of law within the territory of the India.
It's a
Resolution,
wrong reading of the act.
yes, they have stated. Resolution dated 4/12/2013 issued by the government does not violate the constitutional amendment mandate, and nobody is discriminated in view of the above government resolution as per the claim made by the different petition. That was rejected. Their unreserved category candidate claim was rejected. So therefore, some of the candidates,
you say-
just I'm completing.
So the tribunal was with you.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
So thereafter, government is also with me.
Then
This annexure 4, government is was also
then
with
what
me.
happened?
That what happened? These,
Who
just I'm
played-
completing. How
who
the
played-
lines, sir.
Who played spoil sport?
Yes. My lord, these some of the candidates, those are in the tribunal, they have lost after the government order. They directly challenge the tribunal's order in the High Court.
Tapre,
High Court passed an order contrary. High Court said you cannot have a discrimination in a division bench. That is wrong.
Say, what is the High Court order?
Yes, just I'm coming. Against that High Court order, we the person, because we are the affected person, we are also in the tribunal, we are parties. These persons were also intervener in that tribunal case.
So against
So
the High
we
Court
ca-
order,
we
you-
came in a
you went to
review.
Supreme Court.
Now I have gone in a review.
Review
Review of that. The review was allowed. Order was set aside. Review was allowed. That means matter was remitted back again to the tribunal division bench to redecide the issue. That means the order passed by the division bench was set up.
order ଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖେଇବେ କି?
Okay.
ସେ order
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଆର୍ଥ ଦେଇଥିଲି।
No, no, I have the rejoinder, the affidavit that I have filed, it's there.
let me see the order.
Again.
ମୁଁ ସେଇ ରିଭ୍ୟୁର ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ମୋ ପାଖରେ। ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଅର୍ଡରର ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଅର୍ଡରଟା କହୁଛି।
8/8/2023, the affidavit that I have filed, the high
counter ରେ?
No, reply to rejoinder.
That is-
At every file goes. At this.
That judgment was passed on by the division bench on 1/9/2016. এইটা রিভিউর অর্ডারটা সেই অর্ডারটা সেট আসাইড
review
ହେଇଥିଲା
order.
ଅଛି।
আরে কোଉଠି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
This is reply to rejoinder.
I am not buying the reply to the
Rejoinder 8/8/2023
oh,
file.
acha, D
পেজ 38 ହଁ। ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ରିଭ୍ୟୁଟା ଦଉଛି।
Page 38 ରେ ଅଛି।
এটা দিଅନ୍ତୁ।
Of that
ଆରେ ଭାଇ
reply.
କୋଉଟା A B C D E4
D,
F4 D4
ନା ଜେ ରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ଆରେ J-
I/4 page 38.
I/4 ସେଟା ଜେ ଭଳି ଦେଖାଉଛି।
ଏ ରିଜଲ୍ୟୁସନ ଅଛି ଏଟା।
ନା ନା ପେଜ 38 ପେଜ 38 ତାଙ୍କ ସେ
I
ରିଜଲ୍ଟ।
don't have page na unfortunately इनका
ମୋତେ କପିଟା
page
ଦେଇ
don't
ଦଉଛି।
have.
ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ଏଇଟା ନ୍ୟୁ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍।
ଏଇଟା oh I got it.
So-
ନା ତାହେଲେ page କଣ ସୁବିଧା ହବ ନା?
This judgment I filed in the review.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ପଢେ ସେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଗ।
ନାହିଁ ତ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କାହିଁ ପଢି ସମୟ ନଷ୍ଟ କରି
ପଢିବି ନା
ଆପଣ
ଆଉ ପଢିବି ନା।
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସମୟ ନଷ୍ଟ ହବ।
ନା ନା କଣ କୋଉ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଦେଖିବିନି।
They have stated some other resolution has come, therefore this order goes.
But that resolution was written by the government.
Yes.
Later.
That was, but this order was again, this order was challenged in the review.
No. That resolution was written by the
That
government.
resolution, that I am coming to that, therefore I was asking my lord, praying inter alia that I should be given opportunity so that I can place it in seriatim. There should not be confusion of facts.
Okay.
So this judgment was challenged by this writ petition division bench order of the High Court was challenged in the review petition. Because some of the persons, they were not made parties, and that order, this particular order, my lord is reading out, this order goes.
Which order?
এইটা রিভিউটা দেলে স্যার ঠিক আছে এই যে জজমেন্ট যেটা আপনি পড়ুଥିଲେ বর্তমান পেজ 38 রে
Review রে কোন
এটা রিভিউ রে দ্যাট ওয়াজ সেটিসফাইড ম্যাটার ওয়াজ রেমিটেড ব্যাক টু দি হাই কোর্ট sorry division bench again review was allowed that means this order goes review was allowed so therefore this order goes
remitted back to where?
division bench again division bench division bench my lord the writ petition was withdrawn. This writ petition 11218 of 2015 was withdrawn.
Dismissed for non-prosecution.
Yes, all right. Same thing. It was dismissed.
Effect.
So now effect is the order of the tribunal continues. So once the order of the tribunal continues, this order I have read out to my lord annex of 4, the government decision remain as such. Relying on the government decision, they have said that my lord, rightly also my lord observed that is the constitutional mandate reservation for the SC/ST. So that is there. So government also
because see you don't find many candidates therefore they say okay 6 year कर दो
ताकू कर दे ସେମାନେ ଆସିଯିବ
ये तो स्टडी आर्टिकल 14 देखले हबो आर्टिकल 14 से रिजर्वेशन काम दिएनी.
So therefore thereafter what happened my lord in this fact situation now the government what have done when this writ petition the review all these cases are pending in the High Court sorry the government passed an order page 40 annexure 6 which is impugned before this order. Government says
annexure
6 page 40 a government letter dated 4/9/15 this is on 14/9/2015 after our regulation was 19/8/2014 1 year back we are getting the benefit the government says non-implementation of the provision contained in para 7 of the department resolution 4/12/2013 by this time para 4/12/2013 I have read to first to my lord where we are given the Shiksha Gana Shikshaka SC/ST Gana Shikshaka on 6 years are to be regularized. That para 7 has been implemented so far we are concerned and the benefit has already been granted to us on 19/8/2014. So we got the benefit. After we got the benefit, after 1 year, the government says you didn't implement. This is general order to all collector, Jilla Parishad, or all DPCs. By that time, Ganjam has already implemented that order. There they say, since there is matter has been remitted to that other resolution, we have sent it to a ministerial committee. You don't take any action. But by that time, already action has been taken. We have got the benefit. A right has been accrued in our favor. We have been regularized. So there are basing on this, my lord. Now, Annexure 7 was passed. Page 41. These 6 and 7 are impugned before, my lord. Page 41. 30/11/2015, the collector Ganjam, what he has done. As per the letter dated 14/9/15 of the Commission of Secretary to the Government, School and Mass Education Department, the regulation of service of 69 Ganashikyak under SC, ST, PS category made in terms of the resolution dated 4/12/13 of the School and Mass Education by order dated 19/8/2015 of the District Project Office SSA Ganjam is hereby withdrawn. My regulation order has been withdrawn by just a stroke of pen. But once I will
what is the reason for withdrawal?
this is the only reason the government has said wait for some time, they have to withdraw. Annexure 6, because the Annexure 6 is passed.
Then after that, wait, what are the waiting period?
Which one?
You should
No,
wait
no.
for some time after that, what happened?
No. By that, this probably I'm not clear to my lord.
No, I am clear. I am very clear in my mind.
I know
asking
it.
a question. I am asking a question. This was withdrawn?
Yes.
Then how long that the government decision took?
Government took decisions where thereafter. But our right has been withdrawn, the regulation was withdrawn. We came to this tribunal.
I understood.
We got an interim order.
I understood that this withdrawal was there.
But
what about other candidates whose decision was
yes, just
pending
now I
to the
am coming.
government? What happened there?
Yes, what happened, my lord? There was a resolution by the government. No, we'll give everybody after 9 years. SC, ST, everybody after 9 years. That was the decision. But by the time we have already got the benefit and we have got a stay order of this document, Annexure 7, withdrawal order, I have got. We are continuing.
Now.
We are continuing. So now, my lord, the developments, because my friend wants to confuse all these things, I have given my rejoinder and all the judgments. What happened? There is a different set of facts coming in the meantime. After the government has said that all will get it after 9 years, that resolution has come. Some person, one Dhananjay, there number of cases, writ petition were filed before this honorable court, saying inter alia that we are the Ganashikyak. Why we will be regularized as a regular teacher after 9 years? Why these Ganashikya Sahayak, those are coming through open market also.
Right.
Why they will be regularized after 6 years?
Yeah, so much
So,
confusion.
yes, madam. Then just I am completing.
Unnecessary confusion.
Yes, so this honorable court has interfered with that matter and says no. All should be in one stage. All will be regularized after
So
6
that is
years.
holding the field now. that
Yes.
judgment.
Now, madam, that judgment came in at 6 years. The matter went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court has also said the yes, there is nothing no wrong.
Then why
So
not-
in that view, my submission is here. He will have a confusing
I remember
fact.
now. I remember. That's-
Yes.
see,
Now my fact
that
is
badge went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court says
all the judgment I have given. So now with this fact, my submission is now these are the developments, but the fact remains. We have been regularized after 6 years, having the requisite training qualification. Matrix city, whatever the qualification is, I had the qualification. We have been regularized on 19/8/2014 on completion of 6 years. Now, end of the day,
Now what is your
problem is unless this order is set aside, this Annexure 6 and 7 is set aside. My lord, though we have been continuing, I have prepared a list what they have done. There is some certain pause karibe, seta would effect of rahigala. After that 9-year decision, what they have done in 2017, they have regularized all the Ganesh Shikshak invariably throughout the state after 9 years. So they have also regularized because we are they have given effect locality hospital. So कौन कर ले सब 9 वर्ष पर समस्त रेगुलर कर देले रेगुलर कर दर आमु कोन कर आउट ऑर्डर पास करी सब 6 को आसी बर्तन बिकॉज़ ऑफ माइनर जजमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट नाउ सो नाउ
गवर्नमेंट को लागे नहीं देखिए
हां नहीं
we have passed the order what
नहीं गवर्नमेंट सेट करछि कि नहीं आमु सेट नहीं मु बर्तन मो केस रे अछि मु जस्ट एटा कहि देली
नहीं बुझि जे मैं जस्ट आई एम सेइंग so 6
after
then
this
9 for 9 then 6
after the Supreme Court judgment and my lord's judgment in the division bench, can the government say no to this?
That is final.
So
you
then,
can't say no to
now the what my problem is, my lord.
So why don't you give them 6 years समस्त को दे दें across the board कौन असुविधा जी जो मैंने 9 रे करছে ताको भी सेही ये बेनिफिट दे दें 3 वर्ष रा गला काम
नहीं सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहछन पैसा देबेन कि आमी जेतु रेगुलर हिचु पैसा पाउछु we will get the benefit. We are getting an interim order by a virtue of an interim order. I am continuing.
16.
Sir, Satakata Kavi, your department has really created a lot of mess here. So, kahingi chore, nore, puni chore, kahingi ete korchundi. 6 ବର୍ଷର ତ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ rule ସବୁଥିରେ ଦେଶ ସମସ୍ତ କରିଦେବେ across the board 6 ବର୍ଷ ଖତମ. Let it, I mean, problem is solved. One stroke. They are creating unnecessary problem. I don't know your.
And my challenge is, my lord, but just I am completing, please. My challenge to the order is, even forget about all these facts. My challenge to this withdrawal of our regulation is, so once I have been regularized, I am protected by the statutory rule. My service cannot be withdrawn or I cannot be reverted back to a lower position. You have been regularized from 1908 2014. That order is to stand, madam. And whatever the differential from 2017, they are giving the salary. We have got the salary. Because the 69%, they have got almost, they have got it. For 2 years, they have got the salary. For 1 year, 8 months, like that, they have stopped it. But now, after my lord's order, we will get all the benefits, whatever that is there.
What do you say?
I have a different policy.
Sir, policy, but why are you creating policy, changing policy so frequently? Have some policy and just maintenance for some time at least. Then you are changing every now and then you are changing your policy. That is not going to solve your problem. Rather, it is creating unnecessary litigation.
Litigation houchi boli policy.
Houchi boli nahi. Policy tamar jo आंठुरे बुद्धि बोली कि होची policy.
Faulty policy पे litigation.
और जो किसी अच्छे officer आंठुरे बुद्धि सेति पे policy एंती बोली लगाले हबो.
There the interpretation was that during initial appointment they are entitled to reservation.
Sir, initial appointment initial appointment ना कौन डायना?
Regularization पे.
Regulation का करिए नहीं.
Regulation पे that's
what are you saying, sir?
Kindly have a look at the last paragraph.
These all arguments are totally baseless.
What I am saying, my lords, is that this order stays because the High Court order confirmed it. My lord,
give a good note. I'll pass it.
I will give a note. So far, what he is now developed onto, he probably he is not read fully.
Give a detail order.
Yes, all sabuda. Chapter case ho jo. See jo kuch jo government jo pore policy.
Let him give a good note. You also give. I will reserve the order.
Yes, ma'am.
But I'll reserve once you give the note only.
Yes.
List the matter on 24th.
Again.
It will be not done. So many confusion.
Only for filing of the notes.
Only for filing the note. Please. Only for filing the note. Next.
22.
There's a memo with the last page of the tribunal's order which inadvertently I missed out.
I've already entered after.
Yes.
Lord, I am instructed to appear here in item 22.
22.
Right.
This is
it 4975 of 2018?
4975. You are for?
Lord, for the petitioner.
Petition.
And for the OP10, my lord.
10 by.
Who is OP10, sir?
My lord, the contesting opposite party.
Private party?
Private.
My lord, kindly have a glance to order that.
I am not going to glance anything, sir. Please tell me the story. Short,
order, my lord.
short story.
Yes, my lord.
No glance, nothing.
Dated 14th July and 24th of.
What is there? Yes, what is the order?
The last order, you are directed to.
Nobody was appearing, so I just checked with the registry whether any council is appointed or not. That's all.
Yes, madam.
And then what is
And
there?
it will be disposed of.
And now council has been appointed. What is the
Yes,
problem? Then
In fact, the matter traveled to this honorable court earlier once. Before I take my lords to the merits involved here, on their application, the matter was a innocuous order was passed.
What is the order? What is the matter about?
It's a question as to engagement of a Jogan Sahayak.
Yes.
Now, the short point, in fact, only point would be.
Only point.
Only
Yes.
point.
Only point. Tell me the only point.
My lord, only point I'll tell you, lordship. But I have, my client has passed HSC from Gujarat board.
Gujarat board.
Gujarat board.
Okay.
Lord,
not fake.
No, not fake. It's government
Gujarat board only.
Gujarat board, that's not the
So
issue.
what is the problem then?
Problem is percentage she has secured. That percentage, whether will be calculated with extra optional or without extra optional.
It is always without extra option.
If that is the point, then I have a case with your lordship. Otherwise, I don't have.
Without extra option.
Yes. If it is-
Generally.
Generally without
Unless, unless it is clearly written there with extraction, otherwise always
yes,
without.
always without extra. That's the judgment also. Now, if your lordship sees my mark sheet,
No, what is the dispute?
yes.
I will see mark sheet later.
No. But without extra optional, they
So
calculated.
your score was lesser than.
No, without extra optional, I was higher.
Without extraction, higher.
I was higher.
With extraction, he is higher.
He is higher.
What is the instruction in the this thing?
There is no instruction in the advertisement. No, no instruction whether with
Silent.
silent.
Okay, matter and note the.
My lord, I am filing a memo.
Sir,
My lord, some frauds were committed there.
sir, fraud.
Your lordship, my lord.
Board certificate correct na?
My lord,
Board
what-
certificate correct na? Board certificate the fraud no
My lord, what marks she has submitted?
I'm
What-
clarifying. Tankar mark sheet ta khalti my lords will have a look.
Yes.
That's what is creating all the confusion at page 20.
Fraud vitiates everything.
Petition page 20 re mark sheet ta achi.
Fraud ta ago establish ho tare vitiate kariyo na dekhiya.
Yes, ma'am.
Page.
Page 20 of the petition.
What is the problem here?
The grand total marks,
395.
395, total calculate kala hobo 700. 600 plus 50, 50, 700 upare.
Man, out of 700.
Out of 700, she's got 395. Now, if my lot comes to the second row, immediately below that, my lord will see that 374 out of 650. This is creating the confusion.
This is without extra optional. First one is with
So
extra optional.
the
Second one is without
petitioner's
extra.
case is that you calculate the second one.
What is confusion? Simply saying with extra
Yes.
or without
Bas,
extra.
that's all.
This is 374 without extra.
Without extra optional.
Simple. What is the confusion here?
Petitioner insists that you take
No, I
this
don't
mark.
insist. They considered it.
No. In general, unless there is extra optional, admission process में extra optional.
Yes. That's correct.
Job of extra optional मिलेगा this is rare. Only without extra optional ही calculate हुए.
That's the point.
आपनकर केते मार्क আছে sir? आपनकर मार्क केते? एई गुट्टे मिनिट रे सरीबोटा किछि नाही एतरे.
Your lordship,
मार्क केते देखंतु
yes, my
आपण.
lord, your lordship.
आपण मार्क देखंतु.
Yes.
मार्क देखंतु. आपण सीधा मार्क शीट देखंतु.
That calculation is there, my lord.
Calculation ने मार्क शीट देखंतु. मोते calculation दरकार नहीं. मार्क शीट proper मार्क शीट देखंतु. कोडी अछि को पेज रे अछि कोन. मार्क शीट अछि.
Yes, we have found it.
देखंतु.
But that is at page 32.
आर को बता दे.
Page 32 এটা না? এটা নাই কি? Page 32
काढ़ी के दो ना पेज काढ़ के दो.
Instead, if your lordship sees page 42.
Just let me verify both the marks.
My lordship, I kindly.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
Obliged.
2 मिनट सर.
Yes, I may.
कुछ नहीं है खाली unnecessary
Yes,
confusion.
yes, ma'am.
कितने पेज?
32.
Yeah. आपण मार्क केते? आपण मार्क केते सर?
ତାଙ୍କର ହଉଛି 408 out of
408 out of
800 probably. 800.
1 2 our total mark केते सर?
Out of 800 it is 408.
एटे केडे सुंदर लिखा है जी 370 oblique हम ओडिसा रे लिखिबेनी माने तो आउर कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करे मास्टर ऑफ कंफ्यूजन एदे लिखि देले सीधा जानता केते मार्क रो दे पे कैलकुलेट करियो केते मार्क जी 1 2 कॉलम देखि दी क्लियर लिखि दी बढ़िया से सुंदर. हां केते मार्क सर कोंदु? फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज 100 मार्क्स, सेकंड लैंग्वेज 100 मार्क्स, 200 मार्क्स, थर्ड लैंग्वेज 100 मार्क्स, 300 मार्क्स, मैथ 100 था
Sir.
Yes, math question.
मैथ 100 पक्का?
Math 100 sir.
नहीं आजकल 75 मार्क जी ना.
नहीं पर सेट आगुर नथिला.
लेकिन को ईयर 92 ताले 100 थियो.
100.
100 हला 100 200 300 400 तापरे ये जो
साइंस 100. सोशल साइंस भी 100.
सोशल साइंस 100.
Then these are the optional subjects 100 200.
800 मार्क टोटल.
800 रु ताकर परसेंटेज होची मैट्रिक रे 51% हबो बोधे ताकर.
ଆପଣ ଏଠି exceptional ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାହିଁ
ତାଙ୍କର ତ extra optional ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ
ଆଗ ନାହିଁ
ଶେଷରେ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ।
ତ ଆପଣ ଯାହା ପାଇଲେ ସେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର net ନା ତ net ହେଲେ କେତେ ରୁ 800 ରୁ 800 ରୁ ଆପଣ 408 କେତେ percent ହେଲା
it is 51%.
51%. ୟାଙ୍କର ହେଲା କେତେ percent 57%.
57.7.
Naturally what is the difference ଆଉ କଣ ରହିଲା ଆଉ fraud
Well,
କୋଉଠି
Lordship,
ହେଲା
I have a glance to
So
my
fraud-
memo I have filed today.
ଗୋଟେ document will decide the case
Besides this, other things are there. Your
ଆଉ
Lordship
କଣ
can.
other thing କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
Yes, my lord.
ଫଟାଫଟ ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି
I have received some documents over RTI, my lord.
Ah,
What
RTI,
fraud she committed, my lord? Kindly have a glance.
fraud ଅଛି ସେଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ। କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେ
She
fraud ଟା
furnished
କଣ
one
କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
undertaking to provide the mark sheets, original mark sheet. That is at page 4 of my memo, my lord. That is the undertaking. And the inquiry report at page 6.
କଣ ହେଇଛି କଣ inquiry report?
One inquiry was committed by the.
ନାଇଁ କଣ fraud ବୋଲି କହିଲେ କୋଉ fraud ଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
Your Lordship have a glance
ସେ
to
କଣ ସେ fraud ଟା
page
କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
6, my lord.
ସାର୍ ସେ fraud ଟା କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଖାଲି
On verification of documents, it is seen that Srimati Sangita Muni, the petitioner, found to be selected and joined as Jogana Sahayaka in Bodamohuri so and so. But Srimati Gitanjali Raut, another candidate, has alleged that a certificate of Srimati Sangita Muni are not genuine. Accordingly, we have made a correspondence to the Vinayak Mission University, Salem.
ବିନାୟକ ମିଶନ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିରେ କି କାମ ଏଠି
University,
Vinayak Mission
plus 3 to seat.
କୋଉ ମାର୍କ ବେସିସ୍ ରେ
Plus 3 टाको, plus 3 mark टाको.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା କୋଉ ମାର୍କ ପ୍ରସ୍ତି ମାର୍କ ବି ମିଶୁଛି ଏଥିରେ
हाँ, मिसुजी.
ବିନାୟକ ମିଶନ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବିନାୟକ
Let me tell. 30% from matric, plus 2 30%, graduation 40%.
ସୋ ଇଏ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ୟାଙ୍କର ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏସନ ଟା ଫେକ୍
Yes, my lord.
Let me
What
tell
she submitted at the time of.
Let me.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ
Fake
ସେଟା କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଲା ଫେକ୍ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
No, no, what inquiry
no,
report,
fake
what,
report,
no, no, what inquiry report
But the
reveals,
fake
my submission is that.
I want where is the fake part? What is the fake? Show me.
What they have.
Sir, show me the fake part. You have just now you have been telling that
No,
fake.
The mark sheet undertaken that I will furnish the original mark sheet and she prepared a chart. What marks she secured. And thereafter she submitted the, thereafter the an inquiry was conducted. That is the earlier the read petition filed by the present opposite party number 10.
Earlier
Yes, on the basis of that, the inquiry was conducted, my lord. The inquiry report is on dated 10/10/17. The university authority.
Sir, what is the inquiry report? ପଢନ୍ତୁ inquiry report ଟା ପଢନ୍ତୁ
The university authority replied that +3 final year certificate issued by them is genuine. Again, on verification of +3 second year marks and stated by Sangita Muni, it is found that she has failed in +3 second year in 2014 and cleared the back paper in 15.
What?
So what? କେତେ ଲୋକ
My lord,
best paper
I'm saying I'm going to that point, my lord. And obtain mark 391 in third year. She furnished 1142 marks in +3, but it is found 1059, my lord. That is there, my lord.
Lord, let me just tell one thing. Whether the authorities
That
have considered this as rejected on that ground.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କୋଉଠୁ ଆଣିଲେ RTI ଆଣିଲେ I mean authority have you brought this matter before
No,
the
no,
authority?
committee has not considered this.
Okay, order reserve. Next. खत्म ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଛୋଡିଲି ବହୁତ ଶୁଣା ହେଇଗଲା next item order reserve ବଢିଆ order pass କରିବି nobody it will this I mean differentiate none.
Once she submitted that,
pass a very good order.
She has secured 1142.
Sir,
But on verification of the mark,
really?
it found that.
Okay. Next item.
It is 100.
If you want to give me any written submission, please give me.
Yes,
Okay.
I will
Next. Order.
file on day after tomorrow.
Okay. Day after tomorrow लगे जाओ 17 लगे जाओ 17 दियो
Yes, sir.
Out there 17 लगे जाओ for note only. Next item.
Yes, ma'am.
23.
May 23.
May I promote? Lordship kindly seal order dated 21/7/2023. After occasion, Lordship directed to serve the copy of the petition OP number 2. OP number 2.
Sorry?
OP number 2, pass an order which had been challenged in the lead petition. And they have not filed any counter.
I'll clarify. The OCAP and now it has become. The council was different earlier.
Now we have to, the government has to appear as the council. Now we have to appear as council, so I'll take instruction of OPP and I will use.
So what the OSEPA is concerned, but I am the OSEPA council, but OSEPA only for their staff and project work, all these things.
Not for this.
I can, but so far the Sikasa, Gonosika, all these things, lots of hearing.
State.
State. So there.
So I'll take
You
instruction
should
of-
clarify, why are you not telling OPEPA agar सबବେଳେ confuse କରୁଛ? ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖୁଛି ସେତେବେଳେ OPEPA council ଆଉ ଜଣ କିଏ ଅଛି କରୁଛ?
We have received a clarification only now, recently.
There has been miscommunication. Now again they have been sent.
Now you are appearing?
Yes.
Okay. So you are on time?
I want.
Okay. 1 week time I will granted. 30th August. Next.
24.
24.
The 24 matter is only adjourned due to non-filing of counter by the transport department.
Transport department ki achi?
His counter is not relevant. Let's say here the matter here, what is here challenge the seizure.
कौन issue कौन?
Issue only page 28 annexation 9 make a glance.
अरे
They have issued that letter.
Issue टा कौन कौन?
The petitioner was purchased a vehicle through finance from the opposite party finance company. Due to non-payment of the dues, they have seized it. But there was no proper communication with petitioner. Annexation 9 issued with the RTO showing me as the absconder to them to transfer of to ownership.
Who is showing us?
RTO, page 9.
How can RTO show absconder to some person?
Page 28.
No, hold on. How can RTO show absconder to somebody? Has the RTO the power to call it somebody absconder?
There is no communication that he
Sir,
did.
Second, can RTO pass an order stating that someone one is absconder?
RTO has not passed such order.
Then why is he absconder?
Let's see,
Where from he is saying?
page 20 make line. That is reflected in there. You have absconded.
How can you say like this?
That is my
You are
question.
not present is different. Absconded is something.
You have absconded means there is no communication.
We are trying to add a stigma to his name.
You have absconded.
Absconding means stigmatization.
Absconding from the place of possession.
That is not absconding, sir. That is not absconding. Absconding. Who are you to say absconding?
Absconding from the place of possession. That what RTO usually.
Then that's why they are not filing counter. I may opportunity to approach the authority. They may consider this. Yes, that is that was the
Here, my lord, what has happened?
Petitioner is directed to approach the authority, ventilating his grievance, and the authority shall consider, dispose of the reputation within.
My lord,
4 weeks,
here,
within 4 weeks from the
let's say, allow me 1 minute. It's a 50-on-5 communication. Because my lord, let's say take a decision, let's say direct the RTO to take a decision on his representation and to comply the 51-5 within 1 month also, so that we can sell the vehicle. Because we have taken the vehicle on the.
Do whatever. I'm just simply here to dispose
within 4 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks. That's all.
To comply the 51-5 also. ସେଇଟା ହିଁ ତ ଚିଠି ସେଇଟା ସେଇ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେବେ
ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ କାଇଁ କହିବି ସବୁ କଥା ଆପଣ ଆରଟିଓ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ସେ କାଇଁ ଆରଟିଓ ହେଇଛି ଜାଣି ସେ ଜାଣି କରିବ ମୁଁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ସବୁ କଥା କହିବି ଓକେ dispose of next
Item 25.
25
my lord. 25 my lord, I have already filed counter affidavit. Counter I have not received in copy.
This is what is
Copy.
All India OBC Railway Employees. What is your grievance?
Here I sought a copy on
You
my
want to
lord.
file a regender?
Yes.
Counter regender कितने समय नेबे मो?
Lordship, I am ready for hearing.
फटाफट जल्दी साथ
I am ready for hearing.
Okay. You want to file then file. I will give time, but let's finish it quickly. 4th September. 4th September.
Obliged.
26.
For final hearing.
Final hearing, of course. For final hearing लिख दिया.
Lordship.
I want to finish. जितने जल्दी border खत्म हो तो भला. Unnecessary लंबे आज काउंटर काली regender काली आउडे pure regender आउडे सर regender तापर एंड चलती हो. जल्दी सल्ले बोलना.
Item 27.
Next.
27.
27.
I am for the opposite party number 1 and 2.
26.
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
26 na urgent.
Arjun.
My lord, I pray.
Kahin it urgent bar hoji ita. So last time you urgent hoji. Why they are taking it? Kallo, 16 फेल लगा urgent में नहीं चलती. The bank वाला case.
My lord, I am for the bank, my lord.
In the 26.
27.
26 I'm talking about. Every time they are taking time. Why? I don't know. Understand why the reason for taking time. Law the 21st. Kevin at the end.
Ready?
No.
26.
I may be given 3 weeks time. I have already sent for waiting. It will come and will file the counter, my lord. For opposite party number 1.
Sorry, bank 2 weeks time to file the counter.
3 weeks.
That 2 weeks ago.
It will come from G Udayagiri, my lord.
G Udayagiri Odisha bhitre na.
No, Odisha bhitre na ki post class ka deri ho.
7 घंटा लगे. 7 घंटा लगे.
As your lordship,
6 to 7 hours लगे. धीरे-धीरे गले.
Again, I don't want to. No, I don't want to put your lordship in problem to ask another time for filing. That's why 3 weeks.
This is matter on 14th September. Next.
Oblige.
28.
28.
It's that case where the Consumer Commission passes an order against a dead person.
Sir, one thing I'm slightly not very comfortable. That this is a consumer forum case, state consumer forum. It should actually, by virtue of the statute, it should go to the national consumer forum.
In fact, that's the
Only thing on that day, because you say there is a dead person. Or
It's
this
a dead
thing,
person.
That's why I interfered. No, otherwise it should
That's
not
the
have
point.
been
It's a pass not only against a dead person. I'll show your lordship the way that dead person is implemented. It's a fraud on the whole process. It's an abuse of process code. Number 1.
But that issue can be raised there
There's
also.
there is no bar, your lordship entertaining it
it is
here.
not
The reason
correct.
being, 1 second.
No, I have, I don't know, there is no bar, I
No,
know.
one just.
But I respect the statutory mandate.
No, statutory mandate is there, but then this point was raised. Learned Commission has completely failed to appreciate that the person with whom you had the arrangement is dead. Death certificate they have filed. That's admitted position. 2019 he is dying. 2021 we are filing, implementing the dead person as a party and relying on an agreement. If your lordship kindly see that agreement, it's an abuse of process of court.
I have seen that.
Right, well. Kindly see page 84.
I have seen that, sir.
Now kindly see page 84, my lord. This is the clause referring to which the commission passes an order, whether it at all can be subject matter before the commission. Kindly see
counter.
page 84.
Do one thing, let him file the counter, you file the rejoinder. We'll finish it.
Lord, I am in fact, as your lordship please, Lord, it's all matter of record. Question of death, passing order against a dead person. So it's a nullity. There are 2-3 judgments with me.
No, there is no judgment is required.
It's a nullity. 54 Supreme Court 320 says order passed.
Supreme Court judgment is not required. It is simple common sense.
I am grateful.
Why should, if it is against a dead person, do you need
Correct,
Supreme
correct.
Court judgment to?
Correct, Lord, correct. And kindly see one just clause.
It is not at all correct.
Sir, I have heard one party.
My lord,
I have heard one party.
And another.
So then it is correct or incorrect, we'll see.
And another person he is contesting now.
What? What is contesting? The dead person is contesting nowadays.
No. Dead, it is not correct that.
Sir, what is it there to contest or not? Is there anything contesting means what?
My lord, there is no order has been passed against a dead person. And I have not implemented a dead person.
Sir, I have read it. It has been passed. I have read it on the first day and I passed. I remember this thing. It's not out of my mind. It has been done, sir.
Kindly see page 29.
That's why I interfered. Because of that order, that's why I interfered. Otherwise, generally, I am very conservative in interfering with the CRC order. Because it was something what is startling was shown to me.
I have number of decisions.
That decision, forget now, I don't carry, I just
No,
care about the whole decision.
The view.
I go by my logic. Don't decision रखो घरे. Decision किसी को दरकार नहीं. But आप just common sense apply करो ना. Can you pass an order against a dead man? Can you? Are you decision आपने घरे रखी तांतु? कौन करें decision?
He is not a dead person.
सर केमती 100% नुहे ही वाज आपण पढी नांती फाइल वाले पढी आसी
ठीक अछि मु
आपण दिने टाइम दोची और पढी आसी
आज्ञा मु पढी जेटा मु
ना मते लागुनी आपण
हला ठीक अछि आपण टाइम दियो
आई एम गिविंग यू 17 दोची फाइनल हियरिंग पे
सर
आपण जा फाइल लगा फाइल
मु कर देबे
18 कर दोची दैट 18
सर 18 कर दे
18 till that continue that
interim order to
continue
18
18 or 21 को
sir 18 will be okay
not be available on
18 will be okay
देबे
ना
अब
जेबे
18
आपण
चलिबो तो
दियंतु जो डेट देबे
18 असुगा नै तो आपण टिके भल के नोट टे देबे ओटे नोट टे बने के देबे बोथ साइड
सर मु दे
थिंग्स शुड बी ओवर हां
grateful
29.
20 some other day I am ill from home.
yes 29
Minute 3 weeks.
I am from my home
counter.
through VCML.
sorry sir I can't hear you can you repeat
My lord, I am from my, I am on VC, my lord, through VC.
fine no problem with VC what do you want to say
My lord, these two matters, 29 and 30, may be taken up from that. I shall go to my lord and
you
there
want
is
to
no
argue physically is there any problem
No.
okay when do you want
and no appearance here. Your lordship may direct the registry to take note of that. I have taken steps in time. Your lordship issued notice. I took this step. Now no appearance.
सर एते कथा काहे को शॉर्टकट कोई जानंदी की शॉर्टकट गोटे लाइन ने जोड़े सर कॉपी चल छंदी मु तो कहू जे आसीबे आपण आर्ग्यू करियो गला सर गला मैटर एंड्स आ कोन कॉपी चल छंदी नथिंग डूइंग आपण आसन तो देखिए
सर
ये शॉर्ट सर वन लाइन खत्म का पकड़े टाइम हो जेते समय
First 3 weeks time to file.
उपन्यास सुना भी टाइम नहीं हम पकड़े
But your lordship may fix.
I pay 3 weeks time to file for counter.
3 weeks कौन है को कंपनी स्टेट बैंक
29. I'm private bank.
को बैंक है
Srei Equipment Finance Limited.
ओ अच्छा ये लीज NBFC ठीक है so let it come on 28th September है ना virtually are getting 3 weeks okay next
30 your I shall take again steps.
31.
For your lordship.
31. 31 2011 मीटर देखो the writ petition pertains to the 2011 and it has been adjourned from time to time. नहीं, it's not sorry again. कौन है चीटा? 2010 petitioner is granted 1 week time to appear. Granted as a last chance. The last chance. Petitioner is granted 1 week time to appear in the matter. Place the matter on 22nd. What the chance no dekhe? Na
32.
32.
Bye. This is a selection to the Hon'Ble worker. The order of the.
What is the issue?
Yes, my lord. Two appellants. I was duly appointed.
You are now continuing.
I am continuing by virtue of the interim order. I am to continue.
You are continuing.
Yes.
So
I was selected, continuing. And the opposite part number 4 made a complaint that her candidature was rejected because she was not a resident of that center area.
Oh.
That was her candidature was rejected. She filed an appeal. In the appeal, during the appeal, inquiry was directed initially by the Tahsildar, but Tahsildar report was not acceptable. So therefore, second inquiry was directed.
सबुठु बढ़िया कौन होता है ये litigation आसंता नहीं simple solution मुझे आपण अंगनवाड़ी एरिया न करके सीधा गाँव को एंटायर विलेज रे जे भी रहउची समस्त अप्लाई करो ଯାହାର ମାର୍କ ଅଧିକା ତାକୁ ଦେଲ ନହେଲେ ଯାଅ
ସେ କଣ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ବଡ ବଡ ଗାଁ ହେଇଗଲା ବେଳକୁ ଚାରିଟା ତିନିଟା
ସେ
ସେଣ୍ଟର
ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁରେ ସବୁ ଦେବେ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଗଲା
ହଁ ସେଇଟା
ସେଇ ଗାଁରେ
but their guideline is defective.
ଏତେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହୁଅନ୍ତାନି
They are
ମୁଁ ତମ
creating
ତମ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ କହୁଛି ଏଇ ସବୁ ଧନ୍ଦା କର ଏଇ ବେକାର
that is they are creating the defect. Now my lord, what happened? An inquiry was
Unnecessary ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁକୁ କେତେଟା ବିଭକ୍ତ କରିବେ 1 2 3 4 ଏମିତି କରିକି ତାକୁ ସେଟା ପୁଣି ସେ ବନେଇବ କିଏ ସେ ଯୋଉ ସିଡିପିଓ ବନେଇବ ତାର ଲିଷ୍ଟ ସେ ଗାଁରେ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁରେ ସବୁ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କର ଯାହାର ଅଧିକ ମାର୍କ ତାକୁ ଦେଲ ବାକି ଯାଅ ଘରକୁ ଯାଅ ଖତମ ଅନନେସେସରି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ଖାଲି litigation ଆଉଛି କହୁଥିଲେ ଏଇଥିରେ ଏଇଟା କରିଦେଲେ ତାର 90% litigation ଖତମ ହେଇଯିବ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବାବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏଟା ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ରାଜ ବାଲା ନା ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ କୁ ଡାକିବେ
ନାଇଁ ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଇଏର କଣ
କାହାର ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କାହାର
women and
sorry
child
I am so sorry
women and
child department secretary କୁ ଡାକ 17 ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେଇ ଫର୍ମୁଲା ଟା ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି unnecessary ଲମ୍ବା ସତ
yes correct unnecessary
ଏଇ ଗାଁର
ମାନେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ନା ଏଇ ଗାଁର ମାନେ ଏଇ ବାରିକେଡ ପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘରଟା ତେଣୁ you will be out
ସେଇ ଗାଁର ଯିଏ ଅଛି ସବୁ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କର
yes
ଯାହାର
by
ଅଧିକ
virtue of regular village if you want to 4 center let it there be 4 center
ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଯଦି ଟାଇ ଅପ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ମାର୍କ ରେ ଯାହାର ଏଜ ଅଧିକ ହଉଥିବ ତାକୁ ଦେଇଦିଅ ଯାହାର କମ ହେଇଥିବ ସେ ଆଉଥରେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବ କେବେ ଯାହାର ଟିକେ ଏଜ ଅଧିକ ହଉଥିବ ତାକୁ ଦେଇଦିଅ ଟାଇ ଅପ୍ ଯଦି ହେଇଗଲା ଖତମ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସିମ୍ପଲ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ next so era basi then ADM kon
no ADM had directed the deputy collector to cause an inquiry and deputy collector inquiry is annexure 5 during pendency of the appeal he has directed
so what did
annexure 5
what
he
did
says that the opposite partner of 5 is not a resident area of the locality for which he could not have selected but the ADM while deciding the appeal didn't consider that appeal report and passed an order in her favor that is the subject matter of challenge. The report goes against the opposite party by the deputy collector. ମୁଁ 11 ବର୍ଷ ଆଗରୁ କାମ କରୁଛି 22/1/2010 ରେ ମୋର appointment order annexure 13 ନାଇଁ page 2 annexure 2 page 13
ଯାଇ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି କୋଉଠି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କଣ କେତେ ଏଜ ହେଲାଣି
I am opposite party number 4 I am continuing to since 2000
there is an interim order
by virtue of the appellate order the petitioner was disengaged and engagement order
now you are continuing
yes my lord
you continue
my lord I have filed
this
my
is the
counter.
file
Government also take instruction in this regard since 2011 bar 9/2011
It's a listing. I'll find out who is continuing.
no whatever that's the point of law
do one thing file a relative merit chart of both the candidates
yes my lord
and especially focus on this
issue
residential certificate
yes ma'am
right give me
that report itself will decide the issue once he has himself has directed to a report and he is not considering that report
sub collector he never goes sub collector କାମ ନାହିଁ ଯେ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କାମ
there is a spot verification
ଆଗରୁ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଥିବ ସେ ଆଣିକି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଲା ସେ ମୋର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ବୋଲି କହିଥିବ
but that report has not been challenged by anybody that report in my favor so why I will be deprived of my appointment
you have been continuing since
I was appointed in 2010 direction was issued
and when was the
report was
when you got disengaged when did you get
that is my lord just time coming
7/7/2011 by order of appellate order
disengage
yes ma'am
yes
କେତେ ଦିନ ପରେ disengage
7/9/2011
ସେତେ ଦିନ ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
12/9/2011 ମୁଁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛି
11 ରୁ
12/9/2011 ରୁ
ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନୋଟ ମୁଁ ପାସ୍ ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆପଣ ନୋଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଇଗଲା ହିୟରିଂ ଖତମ ମ୍ୟାଟର କ୍ଲୋଜ୍ଡ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏସରେ ଏଇ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଆଣିବେ ସରି ରିଲେଟିଭ ମେରିଟ୍ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟରେ କହିବି ସରି 23rd August you get the relative merit ହେଲା after getting the relative merit we will see please call your this secretary this should stop somewhere I'll pass otherwise judicial order to stop it why a person भी गोटे गाँव ये रेसिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट अलग 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 कौन पे है वो से गोटे गाँव तो कर देले गला खत्म unnecessary next item
33
My lord, I am filing a memo of citations in that conjugal matter.
हाँ अपन सही दिन दे देवे ना अच्छा अपन
Judgment
next date रे हाँ Memo of citation for what? माने कौन पाई?
Judgment उड़ा देइछि
कौन पाई?
आज्ञा
Judgment को सब ये रे माने proposition टा कौन?
proposition हला जे appeal lies to the national
सेरा proposition कौन तो
ना ना
ता पे judgment दरकार
ना
सर
ना ना
statute रे अछि
ना ना statute रे
judgment
अछि
कौन
सब ठीक आउ केतोडा को मैं सेठी क्लैरिफाई करछि
Okay, we'll see. Next. Next.
33.
33. 33 केना दी? 33. Non-obvious. Air count meter. Anganwadi. Not there. Last chance for the as a last chance, the petitioner granted 1 week time to be present. The court and I will demand. 23rd. What a last chance.
34.
34. ये विषय करो ये विषय करो 12 रहते खा रही होनी बस फटाफट सही 35
35. No obstruction.
No
36.
dismiss चला no obstruction dismiss 36
36. May I please Raj? The case in the year 2012, my lord, no counter affidavit filed by the state, my lord.
सर स्टेट आपने फाइल करना दी काउंटर 2012 मैटर पर है
Yes, it is from 2012. I've got the new brief today, my lord.
old matter here transferred now what he can do. You have to sympathize his position also. Okay, so when do we have to file this? 11th September. Land Council of the State to file the counter. This is the matter on 11th September. Next.
37.
37.
Please, your lords. The batch of matters.
This is what?
I have also been given. My lord, I have given also notes of submission for that silent feature covering about the how we are not responsible for the accident which are.
You are for?
I am for the petitioner in the batch of cases.
You are for the petitioner.
One
My
of the
lord.
petitioner.
What is the case about?
Case is very simple. That while the Anganwadi center was functioning and the children were taking cooking, their cooking foods, the wall was fell down. The wall, Kantha, jo school wall was fell down. Collapsed.
And
Died.
Seven children died.
7 children died. In the Noyagad in 2012, that is a very huge. There the responsibility shoulder on the lip due to
who are you?
Sir, we
worker,
are Anganwadi
worker and helper.
Worker and helper. my lord. They have been disengaged for that deed. My lord,
ସୁରକ୍ଷିତ ଘରେ କାମ।
my lord, we have filed the counter by state.
See, Anganwadi worker the kantha banai.
My lord, they have been instructed to do the Anganwadi work in the veranda, newly constructed veranda.
ଆଉ ନଥିଲେ
ଅଛି.
ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ?
My lord, we have filed the affidavit.
ଅଧା ସ୍କୁଲ ର ତ ହାଲତ ଏମିତି ଅଛି ସେ ମାନେ କେତେବେଳେ ପଡିବ କେତେବେଳେ ମରିବ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ।
That is the old part of the rule. ଯେହେତୁ ବାରାଣ୍ଡାରେ ସଫା କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ after the meal, they have shifted the children to the old school.
Now what are you?
A lordship may can next they are
Why are we here before me?
because they have without conducting inquiry straightway disengaged without providing documents. No document provided. Charge frame କରିଛନ୍ତି ଅସୁରକ୍ଷିତ କୋଠରୀ ଘରେ ସମ୍ପାଦନ କରୁଥିଲେ. They have provided the duty of the government to provide the school. ଆମେ ଅସୁରକ୍ଷିତ they are ଆପଣ କର୍ତ୍ତୃପକ୍ଷଙ୍କ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିକୁ ଆଣି ନଥିଲେ. These are not the included in our duty chart. ଆସେ ଘର
Both are for the disengaged.
all are disengaged. There are two centers. There are two centers.
So what is your reply?
We have already filed the reply.
You filed the rejoinder?
Yes. Result in my case I have filed my rejoinder.
So let's hear it. साढ़े चार टाइम में अपन
ଆଉ କୋଉଦିନ ଇଏ ଲର୍ସି
let's
ଏବେ ସାରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବାହାରୁ ସେମାନେ ପଡୁଛି କିଛି ସେଇ ଚାର୍ଜ କାନ୍ଥ ପଡିଗଲା ତମ ଦୋଷରୁ କାନ୍ଥ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ପଇଲା ତମେ ଦେଖିଲନି ଦେହ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟ that is the act of God that
It's not the right approach. Because these people are small
That
workers.
is not the
नहीं in the PIL
अरे भाई मैं जानी थी ଆପଣ ଗାଁ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ନା ଜାଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ I go travel to villages I know that ଏମିତି ଏମିତି ଜାଗା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଥିବେ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଯୋଉଠି ଗଲେ ସେମାନେ ସେଠି ରାନ୍ଧିବେ ଆପଣ ସ୍କୁଲ ବାଲା କାହିଁ ମନା କଲେନି ତାହେଲେ ସେଠି ରାନ୍ଧନି ବୋଲି
for that reason headmistress
My
was punished
My lord, your lordship kindly see the counter.
problem ହେଲା
No, headmistress is also been punished, my lord.
But
then
ତାଙ୍କୁ କାହିଁ
your lordship kindly see. What has happened? Headmistress has not allowed the school premises, but she, the headmistress has directed them to.
It is your duty to provide a space for cooking.
Yes,
my lord.
Is it not the duty of the government or your school authority to
At that time, that there was not sufficiently infrastructure.
Sufficient, then where is their fault then?
My lord, kindly.
They're poor worker getting 1,000 rupees or 1,200, you just disengage because some, I mean, what is their fault?
My lord, kindly bear.
Your school authority should be punished.
My lord, kindly bear with me.
Ah.
But the headmistress has allowed them to do the Anganwadi work in the school veranda. What they did, the Anganwadi helpers and workers, as they have to clean the veranda after the midday meal.
What prevented as a headmistress? Could you not stop them to do it here only? Why you have not done it?
My lord, what they have did, as they have to clean the veranda after
all the story, sir.
They have taken the children to the old building.
Responsibility.
My lord, they have
Responsibility when something happens.
My lord, they have taken the children to the old
Okay, we'll
building.
see that. Okay, we'll see that on let's come on 17 there. 17 will finish it. But at the I mean, you have fine. Give me a short note.
yes, that
With case law.
well.
How you are not.
See, in the PIL, it has decided how the school authorities are called to provide the proper protection.
PIL was there.
PIL was there 12.
Order
They have
there?
provided.
Yes,
Yes,
order
order that they have included. That is reported. I have also brought that.
Give that.
It can be
Copy
treated.
the order.
Prabir Kumar Das, I will provide that.
Please give me.
So the PIL, what does it? What is
The compensation was ordered. State functioning was failure of state function to provide
It has
the
been dealt
proper
with.
accommodation. The wall was fell down. गाँ एरिया गोटे विराट गात था वर्षा जोर है कांथ पड़गला दिस इज द रीजन दैट इज अप टू योर लॉर्डशिप
Failed in the PI.
7 children died.
My 7 children in 2 Anganwadi.
Anyway, let's see. Next.
38.
38.
May I please, Lordship? This matter was on last Friday, my lord. The last date of submission of application was 7/3/2009, but the opposite party number 4, who has been engaged, my lord, she has obtained the certificate much after the last date of stipulated period of advertisement, my
My lord,
They have also admitted in para 12.
Let me clarify. Originally, the petitioner has challenged before the have prepared an appeal. The ground of the appeal that the opposite parties' certificates are not genuine. There was no whispering about the last date of submission. Now, on the last occasion, only on Friday, he has raised that.
Forget about all this. Last occasion, this occasion. Simply one thing. Let me ascertain from you. Whether the selected candidate submitted the application form, I mean, what is the residency certificate?
Educational certificate.
Educational certificate. my lord.
After the last date or not?
My lord, that instruction I have sought for.
I have got
My
the
lord, that
certified
instruction I have
copies
sought
also, my
for
lord.
Friday.
No, sir.
Okay, Friday lagu.
My lord.
No, your lordship may call it next week.
I have also got the certified copy, my lord.
On the last Friday, your lordship.
The old matter.
My lord, I have also got the certified copy, my lord.
From the government anu na. Tapore
My
certificate
lord,
ko bhi dekhiye.
I have asked them to produce all the records.
25th rasu.
My lord.
Next.
39.
39, I am appearing for the OP number 4. The
I am the
selected
petitioner.
What is the issue?
Anganwadi worker.
The issue is very small, my lord. Whether any certificate can be accepted beyond the prescribed period provided in the advertisement.
That is
Same thing as the earlier case.
My lord, my.
Apart from it, It is not in, the certificate produced was not in accordance with the advertisement. Your lordship may kindly turn to page 11.
What is that?
7 number जो लिखा है प्रार्थी आवेदन पत्र सह
योग्यतार
नहीं ए जो 7 नंबर टा 7 प्रार्थी आवेदन पत्र सह आवश्यक समस्त प्रमाण पत्र जातिगत बयस बासिंदा शिक्षागत योग्यता आदिर अविकल नकल संलग्न करिवे जातिगत बासिंदा प्रमाण पत्र एक वर्ष नहीं से 2010 15 एडवर्टाइजमेंट से देइचंती 2010 2013
2015 advertisements.
Sir, केंती हबो सेतेबेले 1 year जदी advertisement
We have rejected, my lord. My lord,
It was
it has
rejected.
rejected. Against the appeal order, the petitioner has preferred. He is the petitioner.
I am for the petition.
You are the petitioner.
My lord.
You wrongly change your position. आपण इधर आसन.
See, only ground on late filing, my lord.
Sir, late filing is also ground na? How can you say only ground? This is one of the most important.
Late filing in the sense, my lord.
Late filing भी हबो और 1 year भीतर जो आपण करने सेटा भी हबो. दीटा ground record भी आपण.
No, my lord.
Yes.
I obtained my residence certificate on the same day, on the last date, my lord, and submitted on this last date, my lord. But the on scrutinize, I am found merit or merit list also prepared, my lord. But on 13, when comparative list was prepared, my name is incomplete. Them
What is incomplete?
because of on next day I submitted on the next day. They noted it, but on my point I submitted on the same day. My if yes, my lord, I submitted on the my document on the same day.
Is it true?
No, man.
No, my lord.
रंदु गवर्नमेंट सरकार कहबे आपण सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट
My lord,
चुपचाप
that's what we have taken the grounds. He has submitted on.
I want to draw my annexer my 7, my lord. Annexer 7 reject list करछंदी.
आपनकर ए जो सर्टिफिकेट ता केबे इशू हितला
से 7 तारिख रे
देखेले कोड अछि
ये पेज 25 देखो ठीक
पेज 25
आया लास्ट डेट रे 7/7/9/2015 थिला लास्ट डेट
काई आपन सर्टिफिकेट दैट नहीं
पेज
आवेदन
25
फॉर्म एटा सर आवेदन फॉर्म इज नॉट सर्टिफिकेट
पेज आया
एटा तो आवेदन देखौ जंदे
नहीं मोर रेसिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट है
देखो कोड इस देखो
पेज 25
पेज 25
आया रीड प्लीज मु अंडरटेकिंग देइथिली जे देबी बोली
किंतु बोली पुणी अंडरटेकिंग आइले
नहीं सेही दिन ही देई दे सेही दिन ही मु देई देली मोर सर्टिफिकेट
कमाय देले
आया
फिर अंडरटेकिंग कमाय देले
मु जेतल सबमिट करली सेतल पाइ नथि जस्ट पाइला पर सेही दिन ही पाइली संगे संगे नहीं सबमिट करली
पेज 25 this is to certify that Miss so is a native of the district Bargad in the state of Odisha and she her family ordinarily resides in village Tora Bargad Tahsil Bargad in the district is a village Tora lakhai ji
हां सही
village Tora means it is nearby Bargad it is a spinning factory Tora yeah
मोर स्क्रूटिनी हला पर मोर रिजेक्ट लिस्ट रे ना रहिलानी
कोन तो आपण बाहरला केबे 79 2015 रे बाहरला हां आपण लास्ट डेट केबे थिला
79 2015
लास्ट डेट
79
ओके लास्ट डेट भी 79 आपण देले केबे
मु से 7/9 रे ही देछि
8/9 रे देला
8/9
दे से माने कहउचंदी किंतु मु सेही दिन ही सबमिट करछि मोर जदी से माने तांकरी स्टेटमेंट कहउछि रिजेक्ट लिस्ट मो ना नै मो नाटा मेरिट लिस्ट अछि ऑन 8 पोजीशन रे मोर अछि आज पर पॉइंट लिस्ट माय लॉर्ड 73.8%
No, 73 matriculation रे 73 ना
मैट्रिकुलेशन रे टोटल 73.8%
आपन टोटल पॉइंट केते
नहीं मोर टोटल पॉइंट होची कम
63.6
63
तो आपण ये से दिन देई नथिले बोले आपण को एसे रे कहउछले
आपण
File the counter.
counter
page 17 ଟା
ଆପଣ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
କୋଉ basis ରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି he has not given on that day, he is saying I have given on that day. On what basis you are saying that he has not given? ମୁଁ ତ ଏବେ trial କରୁନି ନା document verify
page 17 of the writ petition.
मेरिट लिस्ट भी वो ना दिए
page 17 এইটাକୁ attach କରିକି ଦେଇଥିଲେ. This was filed along with the application.
which one?
Page 17.
This is certified that so is a native এটা হচ্ছে এটা তহসিলদার করছে
তহসিলদার in the year 13 minutes.
ସେଇଟା ତ ବି ହେଲାନି ମୁଁ ତ ସେମ୍
application file କଲା ବେଳକୁ ଏଇଟା ଦେଲେ undertaking ଦେଲେ ତା ପରଦିନ ଆଣିକି ଦେଲେ
ତା ପରଦିନ ବି ଦେଇନି ମୁଁ ସେଇଦିନ ହିଁ ଦେଇଛି
okay order is up next
ମୋର ମେରିଟ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ନା ଅଛି
okay
କମ୍ପାରେଟିଭ 13 ତାରିଖରେ ବାହାରିଲା
ଆମର ନୋଟ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଛୋଟ
And I am working
ଏ
there.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମ କଣ ଏଜୁକେଶନ
I am working there since 3/11/15.
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ନୋଟ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
again keeping it for note on 20 18 ରେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 18 କଣ ଏଟା this line ରେ ଲେଖିବେ comparative merit chart nothing else ଆଉ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
ଛୋଟ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ okay next
40
stop 40 Mr. Ray କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ
better में candidate को next week will also
21 ର ପୁରା
counter ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
counter ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
we have received the Parawai's comment will be filed in court of 2 weeks.
the state admit that for the counter 30th August
2 weeks.
ଆଉ କଣ urgent matter କାହାର ଅଛି
Next item.
next କଣ urgency କିଛି ଅଛି
No, urgency not.
Only to decide whether she is coming to the service area or not. That is to be only
No, no, that is not the decision.
ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ note ଗୁଡା
yes note they do say
No, no, note ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ I will argue the matter.
ଆଗୁ କରିବ ପଛେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହବନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅନ୍ୟ ଦିନ କର I will that. But I am filing the rejoinder today and both the cases of the state also and
you
of
file the rejoinder in the registry why are you giving here
yes yes madam.
only that
No,
question will be
though-
settled
madam,
by
I
interim
don't-
order.
okay we'll see you are continuing
No, I am continuing.
you are continuing
I have been selected since 2016.
selection is not the issue is whether you are
Yes, yes.
I am
That is
con-
only decide.
that's important
Next week,
Your lordship,
fix next Monday. Lordship.
yours is madam who is
47 now. Only file the counters.
counter that's why you are sitting you should have mentioned
No, we already filed.
you have filed rejoinder they have to
SBI has been made a party without including SBI General Insurance Company from which the insurance was sought. But I have asked my branch manager to follow it up. He says that the insurance policy there, it is under process.
okay
So my lords may give a date. Hopefully by then he would have.
Your lordship may fix it. Rest of the matter may fix some day mail so that all of those.
ये 17 का था ना 5टा ଅଛି ନା 10टा 17 18 को डिवाइड कर दिया
41 lordship interim order may be extended. Interim order is
This week your lordship.
so you wanted more time
No, no.
it's okay
We have already filed.
so other party you have you
No.
You're the-
I am appearing for 47.
so you want to file rejoinder
There's hardly anything. Let them, I think the payment must have come or it will be,
why rejoinder
it's a poor man, let them not make him file a
Yeah.
rejoinder.
huh
Tomorrow or.
I'm saying 18 levels 18
41 interim order may be extended.
okay
18 years.